the levels keen. BOC sent to VAH, climbing steep. VAL down under where the buyers keep. Opening range 930, marking the fight. 45 at closest, watch the labels light. Initial balance dashed in bold. Dashboard ticking numbers, watch the story told. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level true. That's how it's done. Come on. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The value's live. POC, VAH, VAL. We ride the way. Can't stop. BTC. Every day. Randy calling ranges, Evan on the screen. Austin running live. Sharpest that I've seen. Asia high and low. London do the same. All-time high extended. We don't play the game. Strong down. Outside range. Dashboard flashing clear. While the other guys are drawing lines out here. We got tick level data. Not a guess, not a claim. POC, VAH, VAL. That's the only A. Week VWAP rising. Month VWAP 2. Start of the year. The high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level truth. That's how it's done. Hey. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The value's live. POC, VAH, VAL. We ride the way. Can't stop. VTC. Every day. Come on, come on. Hey. Don't lie. VAH. Don't lie. VAL. Don't lie. Tick level multiply. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The value's live. BOC, VAH, VAL. We ride the wave. Can't stop. BTC. Every day. Go. Can't stop. Better every day. Tick by tick. Can't stop. VTC. Can't stop. Oh yeah, all right. Locked in, calm, focused and tight. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Sitting up the level, watching how it's playing. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Patience is the age, that's the truth I'm saying. VWAP rolling, pull back, calling my name. Inside bar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way through the flame. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. This is the life I'm chasing. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. We're trading on. Steady as the sun. This groove goes on and on. Session open. Session open. New York VWAP arriving. Tick by tick, the value's alive and thriving. stay marked, keep the levels keen. BOC set to VAH, climbing steep. VAL down under where the buyers keep. Opening range 930, marking the fight. 45 it closes, watch the labels light. Initial balance dashed in bold. Dashboard ticket numbers, watch the story told. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level true. That's how it's done. Come on. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the value's high. BOC, VAH, VAL, we ride the way. Can't stop, VTC. Every day. Randy calling ranges, Evan on the screen. Austin running live, sharpest that I've seen. Asia high and low, London do the same. All-time high extended, we don't play the game. Strong down, outside range, dashboard flashing clear. While the other guys are drawing lines out here. We got tick level data, not a guess, not a claim. BOC, VAH, VAL, that's the only A. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level truth. That's how it's done. Hey. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the value's high. BOC, VAH, VAL, we ride the way. Can't stop, VTC. Every day. Come on, come on, hey. Don't lie. VAH, don't lie. VAL, don't lie. Take level, multiply. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the value's live. BOC, VAH, VAL, we ride the way. Can't stop, VTC. Every day. Can't stop. Better every day. Tick by tick, can't stop. VTC. Can't stop. One line, one mind, diary. Come, let me tell you how I found my way. Used to have my chart looking like a Christmas tree. 10 indicators, still couldn't find the key. Banging my head against the wall every single day. Chasing every signal, watch my discipline decay. Then I found ASFX, found BSC2. Thought I needed more tools, but they told me something true. Strip it all away, let the chart be clean. Only thing you need is that 930 VWAP scene. Clear my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. All I need is the VWAP, yeah, the VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the range, let it say. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. 15 minutes at the opening range, be still. Patience is the muscle, got to build up the skill. Buying on the right side when the value is clear. Not 100 signals screaming in my ear. Austin told me, Evan told me, Randy told me too. It ain't about the tools, it's about what you do. Past my challenge, took my first payout. That's when I understood what BNC's about. Yeah. Cleared my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. Yeah. All I need in your soul. Wait for the setup, let it show. Right side of the well. Watch it flow. All I need is a beware, yeah. Beware, yeah. 9:30 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Hey. Wait for the range, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showing me now I know. Discipline is the only edge. Oh, 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 oh. One line, one line. You have 9:30 patience, pay out. BSC. He's been up since 2 a.m. watching them wicks, probing them highs. He calls it institutional flow. We call it something else. BSC. Let's ride. He woke up in the dark just to stroke his charts. Got his order blocks lined up, studying all the parts. He's tracing everybody, every wick, every tail, licking his lips when the price drops below the veil. He loves a good penetration of the previous high. Whisper smart,
Money's entering with a glint in his eye.
he's been probing that zone since 2:45. Said nobody does it deeper than ICT. Oh, he's thrusting through the liquidity.
Penetrating every level that he sees.
Oh yeah, he grabbed that order block and dropped down to his knees.
ICT trader doing whatever he please.
Smart money, smart money. He don't quit till he feels that void.
Feel it.
Smart money, smart money. Every gap he finds gets the boy overjoyed. He said the Judas swing came hard and fast, grabbed all the buy side, said baby this won't last. He's stroking the inefficiency, calling it clean, the most beautiful displacement that he's ever seen. He found a naked POC out and he just couldn't wait. Dove in at the kill zone, said this entry feels great. 3 hours later he stopped out, laying there in shame, blaming market makers for his own little game. He's probing the high,
Probe it, daddy.
he's filling them voids.
Feel it all night.
He's riding that inefficiency till the break of dawn. The displacement so deep,
So deep.
had him lose sleep.
Couldn't sleep.
Cause the fair value gap had him holding on so long. He said the liquidity was just sitting there, exposed, and he had to sweep it. He had to. Oh, he's thrusting through the liquidity.
Penetrating every level that he sees.
Oh yeah, he grabbed that order block and dropped down to his knees.
ICT trader doing whatever he please.
Smart money, smart money, smart money. He don't quit till he fills that void. Smart money, smart money, smart money. BSC already banked it. Bye bye boy. He said the buy side liquidity was just too exposed. He had to sweep it, but VWAP already took her home. BSC. We don't chase gaps, we just let it come to us.
Smart money. Moves.
Oh, yeah, all right. Locked in, calm, focused and tight. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Setting up the level, watching how it's playing. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Patience is the age, that's the truth I'm saying. VWAP rolling, pull back, calling my name. Inside bar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way to the flame. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 5 lots tight, that's the line I'm holding. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 3 shots a day, no room for folding. Oh, oh, payouts coming like the tide. Stack it firm and let the structure be my guide. Quiet mind, breathe and let it ride. Discipline, patience, execution, that's my pride. Red candle, green candle don't mean nothing. Stick to the system, let the data sing. No fear, no greed, just the plan and the play. Same 5 rules I'm living by today. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Charts don't lie, that's the gospel I'm relaying. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. This is the life I'm chasing. Oh yeah, ooh yeah, we're trading, trading, trading on. Steady as the sun, this groove goes on and on. Rolled out of bed at 6 a.m. with coffee going cold. Pulled on my platform like I do, did what I was told. Waited on the setup, let the weak hands make their move. By 9:15, I was already locked into the groove. One clean trade, I tipped my hat and shut the laptop down. Notification hit my phone before I left for town. Boys been laughing at me trading micros from my drive. Wait till they see what just landed in my account at 5. Mama said, boy, what are you doing on the screen all day? Daddy said, son, and future's gonna blow your cash away. Well, I kept my rules tight, kept my head down, kept the faith. And tonight the whole damn county's gonna hear what I made. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out here, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. And I'm living it loud. Yeah, pulled up to the bonfire with a grin from ear to ear. Everybody asking why I'm smiling, nice together here. See, I've been up before the sunrise while you're hitting snooze, learning how to lose right, so I know how not to lose. Black shirt, club, been in my corner since the very start. VWAP on my chart and discipline locked in my heart. 3 trays daily, walk away, protect what you built up. And tonight we're pouring every drop into this cup. They said the market's rigged, said the house always wins, said retail traders lose it all, so don't you dare begin. Well, somebody forgot to tell my account that little tale, cause the payout just came through and boys, it's off the rails. Funded and free, truck running loud down the county road. Payout hits, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. You know what's funny? The same people who told me to quit are the first ones texting asking how I did it. I don't even answer anymore. I just send them a screenshot and let the numbers do the talking. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it ain't about the money, well, it's a little about the money, but it's more about the morning that I proved it to myself. Sitting at the kitchen table while the family's still sleeping, building something real instead of leaving it on the shelf. Why believe in me when the account was underwater? Kids don't know the details, but they know that daddy tried. And now we're all together at this bonfire in the backyard, and I finally feel the weight lift off my chest with pride. Funded and free. I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Hey, out hit, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free. Funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. Funded and free. Told you so. 3 accounts deep, and we're just getting started. Funded and free. What is that? Randy. What is that candle? What is that candle? What is that candle? Trump tweet hit the wire at 9:15. Every algo on the planet lost its mind. 150 points in a single candle wick. Randy saw it coming, said it real quick. Austin zoomed and tried to show the whole room. Biggest single candle drop like a sonic boom. Chat went crazy, Discord lost his mind. Never seen the candle of that particular kind. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. I saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Hey, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner candle, Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle, boner candle. Stocks got trigger top and bottom of the range. Prop firm accounts looking seriously strange. Bulls and bears got flattened in a single blow. Randy named the candle and he stole the show. Austin speechless, staring at the 1-minute candle so tall there was nothing left in it. BSC when nuclear all over the feed. Boner candle energy is all that we need. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. Saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Oh, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna
They got earnings season, they got Fed Day too. They got CPI reports and Jackson Hole reviews, but nothing hits the chart like a Trump tweet at 9. Randy's got a name for it, and brother, it ain't kind. It ain't the news that moves it. It's the candle that it leaves behind. Funded account traders seen it all before. Double break the VWAP, the fractal and more, but nothing stops the stream like a 150 rip. Randy grabs the mic and lets the name slip. Austin tries to explain it on the chart, real cool. Can't explain a boner candle using normal tools. Black shirt club will tell you when you ask them why. Sometimes the market just points straight at the sky. Boner candle. Boner candle. What you gonna do when it comes for you? Boner candle. Boner candle. Trump news and the market just blew right through 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle. Randy called it. Can't uncall it. Black Shirt Club. Never forget. The boner candle of 2025. Hey! Hey!
I got calluses from hands that used to shoe a hole. Now they're wrapped around a mouth, still walking the same course. Daddy never taught me options, taught me how to bleed in me. So some wound don't heal, it should go back in again. 6 acres and a farmhouse older than my grandpa's name. Wife's got more faith in me than I've got in this game. I've took the losses like a gut shot, watched the good ones run. Learned the hardest lessons come from stops I shouldn't run. So I draw it back like a broadhead aimed at heaven. Every red day is just a lesson, every green day's redemption. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. And the setting sun. I bled for this country, came home and bled some more. I learned the mark is just another silent, honest war. No parade for profit and payouts, and no medal for the pain. Just a daddy at his kid's game, instead of drowning in the rain. They don't see the nights I sat here, staring at the screen, praying for a green print like it's the only thing between who I was and who I'm trying hard to be. Ain't about the money, it's about being free. So I draw it back like a broadhead in heaven. Every scar's a story, every setback's a lesson. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. Discipline's my scripture, patience is my gun. Full draw, hold steady, this is how it's done. Let's go to full draw. Sun up on the screen,
coffee gon' cold. Black and red candles telling me no. I watch that line like a shoreline move. If price holds there, I make my move. One clean entry, then I stay still. No chasing candles, no blind thrill. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line, then I breathe. VWAP, it's the line I trust. VWAP, when it clean and dust. VWAP, I don't need a guide. VWAP, that's my edge, my test. Fast hands, calm my eyes, I seen the trap. Breakout, talks loud, and it snaps back. I cut small loss, take the bad aside. Let the runners run, let the weak ones die. Fat fix in my head, keep the rules on lock. No tilt, no panic, just one more shot. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line and I breathe. VWAP, that's the line I trust. VWAP, when it clean and dust. VWAP, I don't need a guide. VWAP, that's my edge, my test. Wrong silence, pay that fee. Now I trade what I see. No loud mouth, no hero play. Just take the setup, and walk away. That's the line I trust. When it clean and dust. I don't need a guide. That's my edge, my test. S&P 500 want some more. They said the market was against us. We said, nah, we got the VWAP. It's astronomical. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Crack the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off one core. Opening range set up like a block. I control. Bears pushed it under, tried to swallow it whole. VWAP reclaim like Prada moving on a stroll. Double break the top side, now we deep in the road. I move them minis like I'm moving them packs. Opening range high broke, no looking back. New York VWAP my corner, that's my turf on the map. Weak hands got shook, they ain't never coming back. Plugged into the supply before the sun came up. Every morning opening range fills my cup. First break fake out, got the ops asking what. Second break confirmed and I'm touching up. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Trap the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off one cord. She said, how you always calm at the bell? I said, baby, I've been studying this opening range spell. New York, VWAP, my religion, I know it well. Double break my sermon, got a story to tell. It's astronomical the way this thing set up. Opening range, low broke, everybody fed up. VWAP like a corner board, it never gave up. Reclaim the line and now the top side getting towed up. Perched up in the platform like I'm posted on the block. 9:30 to 10 o'clock, I own this whole clock. 5 minis deployed like I'm running the flock. Paid before breakfast and I dead both alive. Opening range is the territory. VWAP is the connect. Double break is the lick. The system is the architect. They trap the block, I trap the chart. Same discipline, different art. Patience on the corner, patience at the open. Either way you I don't move unless the V-Web say move. I don't size up unless I'm deep in the groove. Opening range, high or low, that's the only two. Double break my confirmation, that's the code I use. They out here shooting blind, I'm picking off a snipe. Opening range, bombs up and I wait for it to ripen. New York V-Web, the signal when the time is getting right. In 5 minutes, trigger pull when everything's aligning. Pay before breakfast every morning, it's a ritual. Opening range, double break, nothing is coincidental. System built for this and everything is subliminal. We the squad and everything is criminal. Beware. Open the range. Double break. It's astronomical. We already ate.
I said, the double break is back! Like he said to do. 1 minute candle closed and I knew it was true. I pulled the trigger clean, didn't flinch, didn't stray. A double break set up, paid again today. The double break is back, back. Oh, said the double break is back, back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back. See the weak hands bail when the first break fails. They think it's done, they gone. They off the rails, but the BSC stays locked. We've seen this before. Double break means price is coming back for more. Level gets retested, volume starts to build. Freckle lines up clean, you know the setup's filled. Discipline and patience, that's the ASFX way. Double break, put money in my account today. The double break is back, back. Woo! Said the double break is back, back, back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back, 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 back. Now when the price breaks once, you wait. When it comes back to test, you wait. When it breaks, V-Web now. That's the double break and it's back. Austin showed us how, yeah. BSC been knowing, yeah. Don't you ever doubt it now. The setup never stops working. Hit me. Wow. Hit me. Wow. I said the double break. Double break. Take it to the bridge. Double break. One more time now. Double break is back. Stay on the one. Woo. Black shirt club. Woo. SFX. Somebody tell Austin. Thank you. The double break is back. Said the double break is back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back. Take it down now. Just the bass. Double break. Always coming back. SFX. Shout out Austin Silver. Black Shirt Club. Ass and Fix. Watch the range. Watch the VWAP. Let's go. Double break. Double break. Price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break. Double break. VWAP in the middle. That's the Golden Gate. Let's go. Double break. Double break. 5 minutes heavy. Yeah, we let it wait. Let's go. Double break. Double break. Asset Fix. Black Shirt Club. We already ate. Yeah. 15-minute rain set up at the bell. Best pushed it on the trying to send it to hell. We can't fold it, stop that, they fell. Austin just smile cause he know the spell. Price claim the VWAP like it always do. Now the top of the range is coming in the view. Break that ceiling confirmation true. 5 minutes loaded, bro, you already knew. Or low got broke, that's the first trap set. Shook the lungs out, got them soaking wet. VWAP reclaim, that's your signal, yeah. Double break incoming, you can take that bet. Double break, double break. Price drop below and then he came back straight. Double break, double break, double break, double break. VWAP in the middle, that's the Golden Gate. Double break, double break. 5 minutes heavy, yeah, we let it wait. Double break, double break, double break, double break. Asset Fix, Black Shirt Club, we already ate. He don't trade scale, he don't trade small. 2 to 5 minutes when he gets the call. Most people watching, he's already in the hall, taking what the market gives. That's all. First break fake out, ship the Rickies out. Second break top side, that's when he spouts. No hesitation when the signal's loud. Austin in the chat in the BSC crowd, they said the range broke, it's bearish now. He said, nah, watch the VWAP, show you how. Reclaim, confirm, he's sizing up right now. Double break, activated, take a bow. First break takes you out if you eat. Second break pays out if you see. VWAP is the pivot every week. Trust the system, trust the technique. Bears got trapped on the bottom side. Bulls took over on the VWAP ride. Broke the top and let the runners fly. Austin Silver, don't ask questions why. Double break, price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break, double break, double break, double break. VWAP in the middle, that's the Golden Gate. Double break, double break, double break, double break. 5 minutes heavy, yeah, we let it wait. Double break, double break, double break, double break. Asset Fix, Black Shirt Club, we already ate. I've been studying the rain since the RTH open. Beware my compass when the market's broken. Every double break a brand new token. BSC the cool and Austin Silver spoken. They out here guessing, I'm out here knowing. VWAP above New York, the money flowing. 2 to 5 minutes and the accounts growing. Black Shirt Club, you already know where I'm going. Reclaim the line and we break the tie. Bears exhausted, we ain't gonna stop. Double break set up at the peak and drop. Asset Fix, living and we never flop. Asset Fix, Black Shirt Club, double break. Trust the VWAP, Austin Silver built it. Discipline, patience, execution. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. They don't know nothing about this. Caught on the charts. The other charts. Woo! I'm up at 6 a.m. I'm up at 6 a.m. Premarket looking clean. Sharpest dressed trader that the pop firm ever seen. VWAP like a river and I'm fishing in the bend. Drew my level perfect, now I'm waiting for the trend. Micro E-mini, I don't play with the big dogs yet. But I'm stacking up the payouts on the funded account set. 3 months in the challenge like a prison doing time. 1 green day away from touching freedom on a dime. Then his phone go off like a grenade in the quiet room. True social notifications spell my account's doomed. Straight up horn moves, general, something about a deal. NQ fell 100 points before my mind could feel. True social, stop loss. I didn't see it coming. Chart said bye, but his thumbs had me running. P&L bleeding red like something out of horror film. True social, stop loss. And they say the market's real. I am not a trader, I am a trading experience. That's the proper risk, that's about my level of persistence. Discipline, patience, execution, that's the trinity. But ain't no pattern for presidentialicity. I study price action like a preacher study scripture. Every morning pour the chart and paint a perfect picture. Support in resistance, I can teach it in my sleep. Then one post about Tehran in my account, 6 feet deep, real talk. I had to set above the century. InQ at value, trend was elementary. Finger on the mouse like I'm about to change my life. Then the commander-in-chief went and brought a knife. True social stop loss, I didn't see it coming. Chart said bye, but his thumbs at me running. B&L being red like something out of horror film. True social stop loss, and they say the market's real. I've been staring at these candles since the early morning. I was back, tested every setup, calculated all the powers. Taught me more about patience than a Bloomberg terminal. But patience don't mean nothing when the news is terminal. They say the market prices and all available information. Nobody priced in 3 a.m. True social notifications. I am the best trader that you never heard of yet. Give me back my funded account and watch me not forget. Reset the account like Wayne reset the mixtape game. Light it up tomorrow, yeah, the setup look the same. One eye on the chart and one eye on the feed. Cause in this strong market, information gonna lead. Yeah, true social, stop loss. They don't put that in the curriculum. Discipline, patience, execution, and pray you don't post. Wheezy. Yeah. We lost one today, BSC. Austin's double break long. She held us down for so long, man. Pour one out. Yeah. Yeah. It's been a long day without you, my friend. She held the line through every NY trend. Thought you area high, she never let us down. Double break confirmed, we never used to frown. Austin called it clean, structure looks so right. But the market took her home last night. I'll tell you all about it when we see you again. Double break long, we gon' see you again. Deep rap held tight, but she faded in the end. We gon' see you again. We gon' see you again. She filled our orders, gave us pay our days. Ran through value area in the most beautiful ways. Randy watched the charts, JB had the screen. BSC was crying, you know what I mean. Austin kept his cool, took the loss like a pro. But deep in the chat, everybody know SFX lost a homie today. Double break long, just faded away. She gave us everything, every single run. Now the market closed and the damage is done. Rest easy setup. You would've won. She was consistent, man. She was always there. Double break long, gone, but never forgotten. BSC. Friday 4 o'clock, the candles all went dark. Closed my last position, now there's nothing on the charts. Everybody's headed down a dirt road, cooler in the bed. I'm sitting on the porch with the dime stuck in my head. They're chasing Friday night neon lights, man, I'm chasing the bell. 2 days of quiet is a special kind of hell. We'll be back on Monday, Weekends move too slow when the tape don't play. No ticks, no feels, no P&L. 48 hours stuck in sideways hell. Hate the weekend, love the grind.
ready to back testing setups, reading my playbook. Wife says you're obsessing, yeah, she's probably right. But discipline don't take a day off, it just waits for the light. Black shirt in the closet like a jersey on the wall. 2 more sleeps till the opening call. We'll be back on Monday, Weekends move too slow and the tape don't play. No ticks, no feels, no P&L. 48 hours stuck in sideways hell. Hate the weekend, love the grind. Sunday can't come soon enough this time. We'll be back on Monday, yeah. Sunday 6 o'clock, futures open up the door. Crack a cold one, watch them glow, bakes, candles glow. Alarm set early, playing road out, clean, rested, hungry, dangerous, you know what I mean. Well, back on Monday, London through New York, let the levels play. Fresh week, fresh mind, same rules. Patience pays the ones who keep it cool. Hated the weekend, love the grind. Now the bell is ringing and the setup's mine. We're back on Monday, we're back on Monday. Back on Monday. See you at the open. Oh.
Yeah. Alarm goes off, I'm up. Cold water, clear my face. Coffee black, screen glow. Same book, same pace. Check the overnight range. Read the gap with care. Levels on a whiteboard, no room for prayer. News feed, calendar, earnings in the air. What moved, what trapped them, what ran and why they. No rush, no chase, hands still, I straight. If the take is loud, I stay quiet inside. I came to do my job, not let feelings decide. Conquer the market. Conquer the market. Calm hands, clear mind. charts waking up. I don't chase the candle when you're running up the hill. I just watch the volume and I sit right still. Cause Price is a traveler, he wander and he roam, but every traveler gets tired, every traveler go home. And home is a number that the volume drew for me. Weighted average, honest as the sea. It come back to the line, it always come back to the line. Take your time, Mr. Trader. Everything in time. It come back to the line. Hear the horns and the bass. Let it stretch, let it run. It can't outrun the place. Oh, come back to the line. Come back to the line. Oh, come back to the line. Overnight, tell me where the sleepy money lay. New York, wake up and they draw a fresh away. Two lines talking. Now I'm listening close. Are they saying the same thing or arguing at the open when they stack up together and they point the same side? That's not noise, my friend, that's the tide. Then I look at yesterday, see what the value made. The higher the value, the lower when the shade. If both lines sitting up above the value high. Buyers on the morning and I ain't asking why. If they sitting down below in the POC overhead, I don't fight the ceiling, I go the other way instead. But when they split and they scatter and they can't agree, that's the market saying nothing, so it's nothing for me. Fold the hands to the T, let it find its mind. Cause confusion never paid for a single dime. It come back to the line, it always come back to the line. Take your time, Mr. Trader. Everything in time. It come back to the line. Hear the horns and the bass. Let it stretch, let it run. It can't outrun the place. Oh, come back to the line. Oh, come back to the line. Now Austin built a framework where a trader can go. Not a secret, not a shortcut, just a way to know. Black shirt on the shoulder mean you're showing up true. Same charts every morning and you're doing what you do. BTC on the screen, painting clean and clear. Telling me the story that I couldn't always hear. Where the line is leaning, where the pressure holds. So I ain't trading feeling, I'm trading what I'm told. And the framework don't promise you a mountain of gold. It just keep you in the seat till the edge unfolds. One setup, one size, one rule I obey. In the growing, happen quiet day by day. One's up, one line, one line, one love. Every morning a chance to do it right. Every evening put the worry out of sight. No greed in the morning, no fear at the close. Just the light, the volume, and the way it goes. Anchor from the open, anchor from the news, anchor from the high. It depends what you choose. The line, remember every dollar that was traded there. So it hold like a floor and it press like a chair. Above it, I'm patient and I'm looking to buy. Below it, I'm patient and I'm
Good morning, chat. Happy Friday. Nick, what's up? Yeah, you get your account all settled up from the giveaway earlier this week? Good. Nate, what's up? Summit, hello. Rohan, how are you, my friend? Why is your name green? Did you become a member? Is that why? Are you a member of Austin's channel or something? Oh, good morning. Yeah, why is Austin looking at an NQ? What have we created? What have we done, chat? I might have converted him. That's all right. That's good. But looking at things, we got 45 minutes until the open. We'll do some giveaways on AceFX TV. We got Clay from Top 1 Futures actually coming on, I believe. So you know what happens when he comes on. It'll be a good day. Close out the week. Close out the month, too. I know we have one more day next week, but let's make it a good one, shall we? Pretty sideways overnight on ES at least, but it's still steadily climbing. So you don't want to rule that out. It's just very slow and tight until this just finally popped here. All within here was pretty sideways. But looking from yesterday's choppiness, still higher lows. So buyers are still in. They're still taking control and trying to make a higher high from there. Would like to find some longs here. I know Austin had an NQ up. I like that just the same as well. I mean, arguably, that pullback would have been your best chance to maybe try to buy it closer to the VWAP, like long right now, if you wanted to play something into the open. Because, I mean, look at all of this. If it gets below that, after not being able to, do you still want to be long? Probably not. So that's also the low of day from the overnight. All of this. Pretty clear level for a stop loss if I've ever seen one. 1R right up to the Asia high. Tight day. 120 points. Top to bottom overnight. But we'll keep an eye on that heading into the open. We can go over yesterday's double breaks, of course, and the breaks and retests. I'll have a good YouTube video coming out on that in probably next week now. Now it's Friday. I already have a video ready to go. So lots of videos coming as always. Good morning, Dustin. What's up? Happy Friday. Okay, yesterday, what did we have? Lots of markups. So let's go over ES first. This is the only markup I have on ES because many of you already know NQ is mine. But the double break actually lost yesterday on ES. I know many of you maybe took it on stream. It's a viable signal, obviously. Break below New York, stop loss at the high. You're targeting the low. It held this lower high. Looked like it wanted to give you the lower low in here. Couldn't give it to you. It's a shame. And then even over here, all right, well, maybe this is still going to make a lower high, right? It kept giving you hope that this would crack lower. Just didn't want to do it. All the while, at that same time, NQ gave a double break and looked the same and won. It was very rare that we get two double breaks at like the same time in the same direction, just different assets, right? I feel like sometimes it's like a couple minutes behind, but these were both within the minute, I believe. Same short, same stop loss, same target, same lower high. This one did make a lower low though. So 1 and 1 on the double break there. Trading ES and NQ, right? It really comes down to luck of the draw of which asset did you trade, because NQ won and ES didn't. Then after the NQ plays out, you make a new high day. Here, me and Austin were looking at a price level around here, right? Close to VWAP. Just maybe still potentially stuck in the range up here since it quickly came right back down. But if you long it off there with the stop loss at open range low, you could scalp it up for the next new high, right? We're not really looking for breakouts or exactly 1R. I mean, this just proves the point even more. If you're long off VWAPs, that's great. That's where you want to be long from. Now, of course, someone could have put their stop like at that pin maybe, and then risk reward is going to look different. But the stop loss, if you really want to be safe about it, would be at this opening range low because you don't know where that higher low wants to be formed from back here. So if this were to bounce like this, you're still in the trade. But if you're looking for a specific R multiple to get out of your trades, you don't get one on this if that's what you're looking for. I don't know. But that's not the point. You're just trading into previous structure, right? So anything in here is yours. Don't let it be like, oh, it's not 1R, so I'm going to keep on holding, because then you get left with nothing. So just trade into structure. Don't worry about risk reward. Get your money. Then after that, it comes down. You could maybe potentially buy it, like I said in these notes here. Long maybe on this small turn. But again, you don't want to stop loss super tight at this previous structure. It's so tight. Where are the higher lows and where would the longs be invalid? Not right here. Because this still looks like it could be trying to make a higher low, like it exactly did. So until it makes a new low a day, leave me in the longs. And then you can either pull it in this strong little push here, like just straight up, or hold it all the way through and sit through the pullback and get that part of the nut, right? But same thing, it goes higher here, but just trade into structure. Anything into structure. Everyone following? And the entries, not that anyone bought this, but the breaks above VWAP pays you. The bounce off the very same VWAP pays you. The bounce off the very same VWAP pays you. Interesting theme going on. That the VWAP bounce is where you want to be positioned. It's crazy. I know this is on NQ. I know ES was just drifting into Never Never Land. That's fine. It did eventually give a pullback. But there's just so many times where you could want to be long down here, like we wanted to on stream, more than short, right? You don't take it. Well, that doesn't mean just jump in now and hope it keeps going higher, because some days will. I think ES might be a good example of that, as this looks like it wants to keep coming higher. That's good. But let's go to ES real quick while we have some time. Look at this bad boy. Never pulling back. Just steadily making higher highs and higher lows away from VWAP. You have to fight every urge in your body to just not jump in long. Because if you do that here, it does make you money and win. It goes higher, right? Or is that the trade where you consistently make money? When it's just at a new high, not off structure, it's already breaking out? More times than not, probably not. Because if you just buy it off of nothing here, you get caught in the pullback. Then just to see it go in your favor. So it really just comes down to patience. If you just remind yourself, same thing. Don't just chase it away from VWAP. Let it come closer. And then you can make the money there. It's quite crazy. It's like just put a sticky note right on your screen somewhere. Many of you probably have like 12 screens. Put a note somewhere. Are we off of the VWAP? That checkbox is not fulfilled. You got no job to do. No trade. Nothing to do. If it is, okay, great. Then I could be looking for a trade. You could find a trade anywhere, but your best trades where you probably cut out the most losers would be if you're just consistently taking entries off this VWAP. Anything else is just, it's an opportunity. I could make money out of it today, maybe, but if I keep on taking trades like this every day, I don't know what my win rate might be, you know? Because anyone can get, I don't want to say lucky, but anyone can get like fortunate and buy it here, right? Which would arguably look like it's off nothing. And then they make some money. It's like, oh, wow, great trade, good read. But if you get in that habit of just letting yourself buy it wherever, and sometimes it does go higher, you then just train yourself to think, yeah, that's a good trade. I'm going to take it again next time. And the next time you buy it here, and you get smoked for it. So it's just about like not what worked yesterday. It's like what works most of the time. Most of the time, yes. If I buy it at VWAP, I can catch moves like this. Simple as that. There was 4 opportunities yesterday. Very spread across. Some early in the morning, some way late in the afternoon. But they were there. So can you just survive this when there's nothing showing up for you? There's no trade on the table. There's nothing you need. Nothing you would miss out on. You have to wait for the lower price. And if you can't wait, then don't complain. All right, that's that. That's yesterday. David, what's up? Happy Friday. Ninja, what's up? Hello. Yeah, hopefully you guys find value in that. If not, we won't do it again. No skin off my ass. Yeah, good markups. This was earlier in the week. The 5 double breaks on ES. I posted this on AceFX TV. If you guys are already members of it, you guys can go read this if you're a member. Right, it's in the private down here. But if you're not a member, first week free. Come on, join us. Anyone in along already? Pre-market here, we have this NQ marked up off the overnight VWAP. It's kind of similar to Austin's trade yesterday. Well, let's just condense this to like a 5-minute. Yeah, I guess a 5-minute will suffice. Of just where would you want to be long at this overnight VWAP, right? If you really think it's going to be a nice bullish close to the week. Well, if the open comes in bullish in 30 minutes and we're up here, we're all going to say it's too high. You can't really buy it up there. You're not off VWAP. So this gives you the chance to get that price with the stop loss that you would want, where it's at an invalidation point, a new low a day. So it's like a feeler almost of like, yeah, it's before the open, but like, this is the price I'm ultimately going to want today if we're going to be bullish, so let me try it. You don't have to take it, though, by any means. That's just the read behind it. Took a long earlier for a win. Nice. Earlier? Where'd you long it earlier? I saw you put a markup in the BSC chat. What was it? Looked like a short on gold. Little gold short. But nice. The DRC. I don't think I've ever heard this song. Which are you preferring to pick, double break or bounce? With what you mentioned around the view up alignment, John. So yeah, I don't think there's one right answer around it. They're both paying. It always just obviously depends on the day. That's kind of behind this whole post here as well. Of the last 5 days, this was before yesterday, this was on the 27th. So this is up until Wednesday's price action. The last 5 double breaks on ES won. Now it looks like some of them in there, like let's go with the against VWAPs. That's an ugly one, but they're all the same. Where did that go? This one specifically, I remember. This one would look like a clean break and retest day. But you have the full alignment for shorts, and you're actually close to the view up where you just got the bounce. So, like, yeah, you'd be probably looking for breaks and retests because it looks like it. But no matter what it looks like, it didn't matter. The double break was just winning. So unfortunately, there is no answer of like, oh, when VWAPs look like this, you want to be playing this. Because then that would say you should be playing breaks and retest on this day. But that loses. But after it loses, shorts from the same VWAP worked the second time. So kind of still worked. That's kind of like yesterday even. If you look at yesterday, first thing to do on NQ was the double break. Now after the double break, you guys still need to know how to trade and look for opportunities, and that's at 10 a.m. But after 10 a.m., we just went over all those opportunities that the breaks and retest or the bounce plays are the way to make money. So some days it's both. Right? You take the double break or not, whatever. Okay, the double break's done with. How am I going to trade today? Pullbacks to VWAP. Once the double break is fulfilled, it's always going to be pullback to VWAP. Does that make sense? Because, yeah, I'm still more so heavily weighing towards breaks and retests, but it's costing me wins because I'm just missing the double breaks. NQ had clean double breaks on Monday, Tuesday, but they were against the VWAP. Maybe Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, this on NQ, it's like, look for a break and retest because we got full alignment for longs. No. Double break still wins. And then I think same thing Wednesday. Same thing Wednesday. These view ups don't tell you to short it. It's telling you to long it. It doesn't matter. The double break won. So 3 double break shorts in a row in NQ. Laughing all the way to the bank. Crazy. And I don't think there was anything on Tuesday on ES or NQ, double break wise. Like no signal. Either that or Monday. This one has it on Tuesday. So maybe it was ES. Yes, I remember that day. Very sideways. Gear, first time on stream. Good morning, my friend. How are you? But you can see it running on the bottom of the screen. Stream starts at 9:30, so we'll keep this one running on X and YouTube where you guys are watching. Most of you are on YouTube. But we're going to also jump over to ASFX TV as we do every morning and do some giveaways there for our members, as well as obviously keep on trading, right? So if you haven't already signed up for that, it's free. The link's down below in our bios if you're on YouTube. Got 30 minutes to sign up, get involved in the giveaways. Clay from TOF is coming on. And then, you also get access to everything on here. The courses, the community tab, right? All the breaks and retests, double break setups, all that good stuff. What do you got, Sean? What am I looking at? Need help figuring out which indexes are more bullish or bearish in the last month? What? We just made all-time highs like a week ago. You're saying 19 down days, 11 up days? That's pretty choppy. Versus what? YM, 13 down, 17 up. Dusty's here. What'd you do yesterday, Dusty? Double break short. Get fucked. Yep, unfortunately, NQ had the nice win. But look at you. You lose money on the double break. You play the bounce. Gotta love this. I don't know where your stop loss was, but obviously it was good enough to survive that. So that's great. Because that would suck to just get stopped out there and then see it come up here. So great trade, great exit. Good job even holding through this pullback as well. Good bounce back. Hopefully you ended the day green with that. Why is your name Daddy's Money? Oh, it's Dandy Money. Whew. I thought that said something else. Whew. Awesome with the options yesterday. What is this on SPY, I assume? Yeah, SPY. Long, long, long. Or long, long out. Yep, here we go. Special guest Clay. Today. He doesn't have blonde hair anymore. He's going to have to change that. Doing some giveaways. Randy yesterday longed it. Added in. Whoa. I don't like that stuff at all. That thing's fucking huge. Jesus Christ. Well, arguably, yeah, I don't. Yeah, I guess it has to be there for that. It's just so far. There you go. So here's the ES pullback. I don't think he took that. Just a markup. But if you guys are part of ASFX, I would just come in here and study everyone's trades. What are they taking? What are they not taking? What are they losing? What are they winning? Oh, they took the same trade as me. How did they manage it different? Because I think Eva on stream yesterday took the double break short on ES and made money. Not that you did anything wrong, Dusty, but okay, shit, we took the same trade. They made money, I didn't. Is there anything else I could have done differently or anything I didn't see? And not always. Jordan, whatever markup this is, what's with all the empty space? What are we doing? Fill that sucker in. You know, you're missing valuable information of seeing price action to the left. Like, I like this one. You can see the open, what happened. Okay, we made a new high, then we pulled back. Yeah, this is clearly a nice bullish day. I like that long. But like when there's so much wasted space, I'm like, I don't really know what price action was like to the left. It's also just weird. Why does it have the screen empty? So this one's better. Is this a different Jordan, though? It's a double break short, I assume? Short, out, long, out? Damn. Oh, it's RTY. But either way, good trades, good trades. James payout from, what is that, Blueberry? $2,300. Got a boy. Oh, Jesus Christ, Randy. Look at that thing. That's absurd. That's Wednesday, right? Randy's long on Wednesday off the New York VWAP. Hold through all this. Open up my stop watching orders. That's nuts. No, thank you. Billy, what's up? Good morning. Open range low. Yeah. So we'll see what NQ can do here. I like the longs. We're holding above VWAP. Clearly a nice shelf down here. I mean, this is disgusting as well as it is good information. I'm like, well, yeah, sellers couldn't really move us lower there. So that's very telling. But to be in a trade down here from 2 a.m. to 8 a.m., just 6 hours of nothing. But stop loss would be right on POC. So that's interesting. It hasn't been engaged with yet. And then how's ES? ES looks stronger, cleaner today with less chop. Still choppy, but higher lows with that. And at a new high of day now, at least. Not above yesterday's high, but a higher high nonetheless. And then YM looks clean as well. Go look at the heat map as well. Change it to pre-market. Pre-market change. It's pretty flat heading into the open, actually. Tech's a little bit maybe more red than anything, so that's maybe why you see NQ not popping off just yet with the ES, but everything else very flat. Green, flat. Flat. I mean, 0.2, 0.3 is not going to do nothing. So we'll keep an eye on that as we head into the open. Here's Johan's markup. Oh, where'd it go? McTire, what do we got? ES 5 minutes. This morning? Yes, this morning. Wow. Like that we are above daily VWAP. Are we though? This is NQ on the 5-minute. I believe you. It just doesn't look the same. What's the gray VWAP? Yesterday's high? We're missing something here. Is this like a London Open VWAP? If you're still here, that's the daily? It looks like this strong bar back down comes to your VWAP. Yeah, that's the overnight. So then what are you buying it above here? Where's this blue one from? 3 a.m. London? 9 p.m. your time. Yeah, London Open. All right. Not something I use, but to each their own. It worked. But yeah, I would just more so say I like this range here. So when buyers take back the overnight VWAP, get me long. But yeah, you had a VWAP somewhere in here. Good on you. Good on you. Good oak. But I'm not in this, just watching it. See what we can get at the open. Let the range set. Wait for a side of the range to be broken. But hopefully everyone got good markups this week because it's a great lesson week on the double break, the break and retest, sitting through trades. If you haven't read this AceFX TV post already, the biggest thing was almost crazy how like all the double breaks. What are these numbers? All the double breaks here on ES, these past 5 ones, except yesterday, because I posted this before then, they all go into some pretty heavy drawdown. Pretty heavy. That's pretty deep. But it does hold. So it hasn't been easy to sit through it and see the plan through, where when you look at these NQ ones that I'm talking about, it didn't test you at all. It just went right to your profit target. Pretty hard to fuck that one up. But like when it sits you through it for an hour and a half, drawdown, profit, that's going to test you. But these NQ ones haven't been testing it all. It doesn't even give you a chance to do the wrong thing. It just slices right through, all in profit. So I think same thing yesterday in NQ. ES unfortunately didn't win for the double break yesterday, but NQ did. Luck of the draw almost, because it was the same setup. And then we got a sideways overnight, but like the longs heading into the open, we'll see what we can find. Luigi, what's up, my friend? How you doing? How's that account you got a couple weeks ago? The giveaway account. I trust I put it in good hands. And then, yeah, hope you guys all got good markups this week. Had 5 or so yesterday. All from the New York VWAP after the double break plays. And that's ideally what we're going to get almost every day, because the double break plays out. Okay, now what? You still need to trade for like the afternoons and late morning. And it's always going to be VWAP based of like trying to get entries around there. Ideally with some trend. But even here at 2 o'clock, holds the higher low from the left. Eventually pops into the close. I don't know if anyone's holding through that, but hey, it's there. Fed member Hammock speaking. Bitches out here throwing bombs on a Friday morning, talking about raising rates. Is he now? All right. Oh, yeah, I see that on Financial Juice now. Interest rates are the Fed's most easily understood tool. Yeah. Until they light up a red one on Financial Juice saying it's breaking news, we'll just keep going. The Wizard, what's up? You're muted, bro. Get your shit together on a Friday.
Well, I wasn't saying anything. I was just letting you talk. I got Leo
sure,
behind
I was
me.
like, he's muted. I don't know if he's
No. I got Leo behind me. You just can't see him, so he may just yell. So I'm double checking my muted.
So what's up? Nothing
Not
overnight.
much. No.
Why are you looking at my NQ?
I don't know. Why not? Why do you have such a problem with it? Like, why do you have such an attachment issue?
No, I
you're
love
afraid
it.
I'm going to take your
I
girlfriend.
love it. I think it'd be great for you.
Yeah. That's
You don't have to
exactly.
wait for-
No,
All
you
right,
could be
Chad,
friends
in
with
an
her,
hour.
bro.
We
You
got
could be
6
friends with her.
points. We got 6 points on ES. Let's all get out. It's like, give me 130 points. Give me
I know.
400 ticks.
So you weren't kidding. You are going to go to the Odyssey on Friday next week?
Yeah, why not?
All right, good. I just didn't know if you were being funny. Sometimes I can't tell with you. It's really hard. I think the chat would agree with me. It's super hard to tell.
You would never joke about the Odyssey. David, what's up, Billy? Yeah, get off my asset. No, I'll share it. I just like, I like that he's on it. Yeah, super strong support down here, wherever this POC is. For 6 hours in London session, it just sat sideways.
Did you see Wayne finally joined the Black Shirt Club?
Yeah,
Do you know how long Wayne has been following me? I swear I have DMs with Wayne in like 2018. It's been almost 10 years, bro. He's not kidding when he said 10 years.
Well, it says when you click on his profile, he's got the Ace Effects icon. He says he's been a member of the VIP since July 19th, 2021.
Okay, so at least 2021. So it's at least 5 years.
It's crazy. Yeah, he's been in the server for 5 years. He's saying, you know what? I like these guys. I want to work with them.
Well, I think it's because we're shutting it down. That's getting everybody in.
Yeah.
McCarty, what's up, bro? Nate, what's up, dude? David, what's up? Billy, what's up? Yeah. No, nothing
I'm
yet.
not in this trade.
No, we like it, though. 29,600. 29,630 is really the number.
Yeah, I have it on this reclaim of VWAP here almost.
Dude, pre-market has flipped a little bit. It was a little more red this morning. Now it's just a couple of chips.
It's completely flat, except for, yeah, down here. Billy, yeah, you think about it. You mull it over. You sit in a dark corner, you think about it. Because come next week, you're not going to be able to think about it. It's going to be closed. So get to thinking. Get a nice whiskey, cigar, look at the sunset, and then join on Sunday night. Alex, what's up? I had Alex from the BSC send me cars last night on Instagram.
What did he send you? What did he send you?
Cars again.
He's always posting about it.
Yeah, but he was just sending me pictures. Because a couple months ago, he was sending me ones of like real offers that you can get in my area,
Really?
like leases and stuff.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah. Yeah.
What are you thinking,
Indicator will
bro?
be on sale till what, the 31st? Is that Monday?
Yeah, everything ends Monday night at midnight.
Yep. Got college football this Saturday. So I guess what, NFL will be the following weekend?
I don't feel as exhausted at the end of this week as I did in previous weeks of this month.
Really?
For whatever reason. But I am looking forward to just watching football.
Yeah.
Did you see the pictures of the roof? I put it on Twitter. Came out pretty cool. It's
Like
was
your
a-
ceiling of the deck or your real roof?
yeah, the ceiling. Sorry, I keep calling it a roof. Yeah, it came out good. It's crazy how expensive shit is, bro. Like, it's just this thin metal, you know?
Mm.
It's not like it's like a complicated thing. It was funny. They're all our age. I go out there just to talk to them like a couple times yesterday before they left. And they're like, the one dude that like is like the main guy's name is Casey. He's like painting, listening to Adele. The first time I go out there, the next time I go out there, it's Katy Perry. I'm like, you guys are so funny, dude. And they're like singing. Nicole told me she was listening to them like they were talking about like Sabrina Carpenter. And the one dude was like, I love when you sing Sabrina Carpenter in the morning, dude. I was like, that is kind of like us, but we're trading. They're building a deck, you know?
So I guess it's just like waterproofs underneath. The rain's not going to go through anymore now.
Alex, my hair is not green, bro. I have a green light on above my head. That's why it looks green. The light in my room is green in the bulbs. I can change the color of it. You're so funny, Alex. Dude, it's crazy how like I wake up this morning and I look at my head. You can't tell right now, but I look in the mirror and I'm like, oh, I look less gray today than I did the other day. And by next week, because of how dark my hair is going to come in underneath, the gray is going to be gone. It's not gray. It's blonde. It looks weird. Very weird looking. It's the weirdest hair color I've ever had for sure right now.
It's just also just like throwing me off because like you shaved your head and it was
throwing me off
immediately. We never saw it without.
No, it's throwing me off.
Same day.
Fuck. And I was looking at some videos because I went and downloaded all these good clips to post on this other Instagram account to try to get it going. And I'm looking at some of our viral, like really good clips. You're in the best one on the shorts. It's funny, actually. And it fucking, my hair's all over the place, dude. I cannot believe you guys let me have that beard at one point where it was really curly and nasty. It's crazy.
So many pictures crazy. Like, this man looks homeless.
It was crazy. Like such a bad look. Fuck me.
Homeless. Who wants to work with a homeless man?
Did you see what I just put up on Twitter? I posted Nate and Vince, dude,
I'm
2
looking
good
at your
W's in the Black Shirt Club this week.
Looking at your deck. Nate 450. Yeah, I saw the Vince yesterday or so on stream. That's awesome. And then
Yeah.
Nate took one yesterday as well. Nice.
Yep.
35 evals purchased over that time. Putting in the time. Very nice. Started trading September 2025, so just a little over, not even a year.
Not even a
Shit.
year.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so I mean, you're going to spend like that's a good. Can you pull it up? Actually, let's talk about that. That'll be good to discuss on stream. Yeah, I think it's just a good example because some people want a timeline. You want a timeline. I don't know what the timeline would be if you were doing this by yourself, but like, look at what Nate's saying. He did buy 35 evals, spent 2,900, call it $3,000, but just took his first payout in the first year. I wonder how many people without a group are taking their first payout in a year with spend under 5K. You know what I'm saying? Because how quickly would anyone just put 5K in an account and blow it? He's at 3, and he's now taking payouts. At least he's headed in the right direction. You know,
35 evals is also different than 35 instant funded. So
yes,
it's like
good point.
It's the lessons you got to go through. No one's going to buy their first, pass their first. It's like you have to burn these. Because like, what if everyone had to fail 40 times to then get their first payout? Just like, you just got to put the time in.
Yep.
Got to go through that learning curve of like, all right, from the first 10 that I failed, let's take that to the next one. Okay. Change something else for 10 through 20, 20 through 30. Then you combine all those lessons from the 30 burned evals. In the last 5, you get a little cherry on top of one more lesson, and then now you're a way better trader. Because you did fail those 35. You know what not to do now. You know what you struggle with the most.
Yep.
Dustin on eval 15.
Yeah, Clay says we're giving out 5 accounts today too.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
Should I clear the giveaway form? Just give more space in there before we get into the stream. Yeah.
It's been light. Anyone that's watching on X and YouTube, sign up, get in the giveaway, beef it up. Study the.
You know what's interesting, dude?
And study the community tab. It's almost like when the ASFX VIP, like just scroll and keep on finding markup after markup of all the trades, and like
it's
just
good.
Study what everyone else is trading.
You know what's
on stream a couple minutes ago, just seeing everyone's different versions of the same trade. How do they manage it a little bit differently? Where was their stop loss? Why did they get in this one? Just good.
I was gonna say, what's fucked up, dude, is this Instagram thing is probably right. Like, I'm pretty sure I'm shadow banned because when I made this new account last night, I searched myself, bro, and a bunch of fake accounts come up before me. So like a brand new from scratch Instagram account looks for me and I don't even show up. So basically the big account right now, we're just going to leave it as like a billboard. That's like I'm going to post some recaps there, maybe some more personal stuff since that seems to do well. And then I'm going to spam this fucking other thing with all of the clips and see what happens. Because I have so many clips, you know? And the ASFX trading Instagram already is almost at 10K followers. How many followers do you have on Instagram?
Never even looked at it. What is this page? Do I follow it?
Yeah, I think you do.
I never
8,400 followers.
Never seen such a thing. Well, when was
Yeah,
the
it
last
was
time
my
you posted
backup
it?
when I got fucked up in Florida like 3-4 years ago and lost the main account for a day. And then this was the backup. We made it right away. And then bang, it's at 8,400 followers. So then yesterday I made ASFX.clips too. So I have ASFX.trading, ASFX.clips. I have the Austin Silver, the real Austin Silver. So I got legs, you know what I'm saying? But the main account's just got to be, I'm going to collab to it, I think. So, and then just hide them from the grid. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I mean, there's no way with that many followers, you should just be losing or staying stagnant.
No, there's no way. And the views are so low. There's something wrong.
Yeah, no, again, like you should be able to post a video of like your grass and it just naturally get 10K views.
10,000. Right, exactly. It should be
And then a
minimum
good one
10K.
would be like there's 20 or 30 behind it.
Right, correct. We're not even breaking 5 every video on that page. Something's wrong.
Yeah, you like
I'll be right back, bro.
My Tony Robbins stage. I don't know. Wish I knew about you guys. Confirmed when I started a year ago. Blew a 10K live account before I found this. Yeah, that's tough. But you're not alone, Nick. That's very normal. You start off chasing the euphoria, get a little reality check. all right, let me ease it back, take the proper approach here and slow things down, and then slowly start building and stacking, and then now you're here. So it sucks, but you got to let that go and realize there's nothing you can do about it now. Just start building from scratch. Yeah, we all wish we found something sooner. I mean, my first year of trading was baby pips, TDI, EMA. Like, it's just, everyone's just so different. But it's like, once you find your thing of like the people you're around, the strategy that makes the most sense to you, you learn more about yourself, that you know how you learn best too, then you start making some good progress. Because some people just need more markups. Some people need to like learn through videos, read a book, learn from others, trade live and touch the stove. All of it. Yeah, this trade hasn't gone anywhere yet. It's still alive. It's just not doing nothing.
Shout out Austin Silver. Black Shirt Club. Acid Fix. Watch the range. Watch the VWAP.
Yeah, that's a beefy one, Dustin. That'll do it. You're not Dustin. I don't know why I said that. You're Nick. But same. But hey, now you won a free account. So it's like, makes up for all that, you know? You won the duck race, the horse race. So all is good. There's still like ES longs. Like, even if this pulls back, obviously we want NQ to also hold its VWAP, but ES still has plenty of room to try to hold buyers in. This would be like the first line to watch, and then this higher low, and then POC truly, like the true low a day, because you know a higher low can bounce off any of these. But we got the open in a couple minutes, so let's take a quick break. We'll fire up the AceFX TV stream. And we'll have a good Friday, huh? I forgot what time it was. No one reminded me, chat. Shame on you. What do I pay you for? Okay. Might do a quick intro. Maybe no intro at all. I don't know. There's no time. Yeah, I guess we'll do no intro, chat. Deal with it. Because if we run a 5 minute, it's going to take us right into the open. It's too late. We screwed the pooch. Fuck it. We're running one chat. Good morning. Let's see. AceFX TV is up and running. Caesar's there, Anthony's there, Tony there. All right. Continuous stream today, chat. Happy Friday. Let me change this banner. Good morning. Jordan, what's up? Nick, just bounced from stream to stream, huh? Well, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. We got 5 minutes until the open. We're already up here and running on AceFX TV. We're also live on socials, as we are on every Friday. We'll have Austin on in just a second, Randy as well, and then Clay from Top 1 Futures will be joining us too. So no trades on in the overnight, no pre-market. We just had a long on NQ still marked up here. Heading back into drawdown. Hasn't really done much, but we'll take a look at that once the open comes in. Lots to go over from this week if we have time. Definitely go over yesterday's trades and then any double break stuff as well. So let's just rip right on into it. Shaw, what's up? David, RJ, good morning. Anyone new here on a Friday? First stream? I know someone on the YouTube pre-market was first stream. Anyone new on AceFX TV? Daniel, yeah, it might be. Just get off YouTube. Why are you watching both streams? Could be though. Yeah, AceFX TV is gonna have a little bit of a delay. No signals. Just bought first Vanquish account. Nice. Confused is an understatement. Yep. We're still learning as well, so one step at a time. But yeah, there's plenty of good YouTube videos out there. That's what I had to watch as well. Giveaway link is already in the chat. Thank you, Austin. Yes, so join the giveaway on AceFX TV. It's only for the members. So if you're watching on X and YouTube, you cannot sign up, but you can sign up for AceFX TV and get involved in the giveaways. But I'm liking longs for the time being. Heat map is very flat heading into the open here. It's just some of the tech, but very, very flat. This is on the pre-market. We'll change it to the day in just a minute here. But no trades for me, like I said. But yeah, I guess you guys are saying there's a speaker going all pre-market here. Fed's hammock. Anything else planned on a Friday? Michigan sentiment. Jackson Hole. Someone called Tanner, let him know. Day 2 actually of it. LS the Wizard new. What's up? First one for me, Sherman. Well, you guys are on YouTube, but I appreciate the first time viewing. Make sure you join AceFX TV. Links in our bio for that to watch our streams every day, not just Fridays. I blame Nancy. Bohr speaks today. Yeah, you guys in this Fed speaker been barking about it all morning. But yes, we will watch. No trades. The open's about to come in. Looking at this on a lower time frame. Just an idea off the overnight VWAP. So much consolidation here on NQ off this bottom. 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. Just 6 hours of doing fuck all. So if you want to be long off the overnight VWAP, it's like, all right, well, if that doesn't get taken out and we hold POC, get me along there. It's very similar to Austin's long yesterday that he held through the open. Because if the open comes in nice and bullish, let's clean this up. Actually, let's take it to a 15-minute. If the open comes in bullish, and now we're up here, we're all going to say, it's too high. I want to be long closer to VWAP. So you're almost just getting in a little bit early, getting that price that you want at the risk of not knowing how the open might want to be, you know? And then ES still well above its VWAPs. So any markups you guys want reviewed from yesterday, throw them on in the chat. Any questions as well. We're going to let the opening range set. About to come in here in a minute. So no rushing. Hopefully you guys are having a good week. The double breaks still been on fire. I know ES lost yesterday and Q1. I posted on AceFX TV in the community tab. Shout out Nate real quick. Took a payout. First payout. It seems like. Yeah, first ever payout. Fucking sick. Trading less than a year. September 8th, 2025. Any payout within the first year is amazing. And then Vince from the BSC, $2,700. Payout as well. So the boys are crushing it there. But earlier in the week, I posted the 5 double breaks. The last 5 on ES, excluding yesterday because that one lost. So maybe it was due because it had won 5 in a row. But yes, it lost yesterday and Q1. YM, I don't even know what it did. Didn't even look at it, mark it up, but maybe it had one, maybe it didn't. Yeah, Cliff, sure. Whatever you want to do, my friend. Billy, what's up? Good morning. Timmy, good morning. Today I'm looking at RTH charts to see things clear. Okay, yeah. Big W's for Nate and Vince. Big W's. First payout in less than a year. Got to feel good no matter how big of a payout it is.
Still talking about that? Good. Good morning, everybody.
What up?
Thanks for keeping it moving, Ev.
Yeah, I didn't even realize what time it was. No intro. Running right fucking into it.
That's fine. We might want to just go slow today. You know, sitting at value area high, everyone knows. I mean, you said it best. You do like the longs. However, it's almost like this overnight was the driest overnight we've had all week. Is it not? Like if you measure top to bottom of range, I feel like that's the tightest overnight of the week. 130 points. It's even tighter than.
Yeah, this was rangy yesterday, but a lot wider.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, but ES still making clean higher lows from yesterday. The chop still steadily drifting higher, and even NQ. Where is the higher low want to be formed from yesterday? Well, it still hasn't touched POC yet, so it could try to turn there. Yeah. It would be a new low a day from Asia, which it looks like it wants to take here, but that's why you let the first 15 minutes shake out. Looks like a clean-ish long heading into the open, and you'd be getting smoked right now. So slow and steady.
Fairly flat. I'll take it for a sec. On stocks Yeah, like on here on Nvidia, I mean, we've been talking about this all week. The bounce off that all-time high VWAP looks so good, So that's good.
Yeah.
Micron's down 2%, back under all-time high VWAP again today. Palantir's still going strong towards 190. So it's flat though. Look at the Amazon's not even at 1% yet. There it goes. Meta's just almost at 1% today. So not too much, not too much. Bitcoin's back under 80K. Noteworthy. We've been talking about, I was looking at it yesterday, Evan, BitX, it ended up bottoming at 10. 10 was the lowest that Bitcoin ETF went. So far, you would have doubled your money, basically, if you nailed the bottom. But look, this has a lot of space. A lot of space to its all-time high VWAP and some. Who knows?
Yeah.
So, been thinking about that. I was like, what if we know how much I've done with sports betting. So I equate my bad decisions to sports betting, to a gamble, right? If I don't know what I'm doing, if I've never bought a leveraged ETF and everyone just talks about this decay, well, I'm trading options now. I know about decay. So I'm like, well, let me go feel it out and see it. What if I put $1,000, $5,000 in? Nothing's going to kill me, and just leave it alone and see if we do get a little pump on some Bitcoin. So I might do that. I was thinking about that. I did pass that Vanquish account yesterday, everybody. So I'm going to get that set up, trade that today. Looking at NQ today, of course, with you boys. I know it's Evan's asset, but we'll make sure we pay respects. But I'm up. Look at this. 9.2K, 777 trades. And yesterday was my 7,777th Instagram post.
Whoa.
Yeah, a lot of sevens.
Yeah, that thing's shadow banned for sure.
For sure. So, yeah, yesterday's good. I mean, 9.2K this month. Haven't blown any accounts, you guys know. I did figure out a couple of things that I'll talk to you guys about. I'm going to make a whole video about it, but the Top 1 Futures live account, this balance here of 208, I can take that out. What it does to my drawdown, I'm unsure of right now. So I'm not doing anything. I do want to know how long does it take money to get out of this live account and what, so on and so forth. Because think about it. Like if it doesn't impact my drawdown, I could just treat this like the pre-live account, like I was doing, and just take anything out of it. Maybe just do it weekly because it's going to take a day or so to process because it is a live account. Or does it make sense to build the buffer and get the second live account? Maybe. Go make 4,100 and then get another one with no consistency score, daily payouts, and it basically doubles everything. You know what I'm saying? So I got to think about that this weekend.
Yep.
Okay, while we wait.
Fine above VWAPs. YM as well. She's saying Q to keep an eye out today because chips and tech as always.
Real quick, I'll just show everybody. First, I'll say giveaway form is in the chat. Clay will be joining us in a few minutes. I'm sure everybody. He wants to give away 5 accounts today as we're getting ready to the end of the month to finish this giveaway, to finish the big sale. So 5 accounts today. But I'll show you some trades from yesterday real quick. Double break on the Russell yesterday with a stop at the low. Ends up hitting target before 11:30. Double break long wins there. I'm going to summarize this in a second here, everybody, but just watch me. Double break short winner on NQ yesterday. Just robotically trading the system. We were above value area high. See, I note that in my notes here. At the same time, ES double break short loser. So 50% win rate on the ES and NQ between both of them, one winner, one loser. Both of them were shorts above value area high. So Evan, what do we think the probability of the double break goes towards when you trade in the wrong location? Probably closer towards that 50%, not towards the 75%, right? So that kind of proves itself there yesterday. But look, there's still a winning double break here. And I went back and looked at the whole week. You'll see in my video, everybody, and I can show you later in the stream, no matter where we are in location, the double break is still over 50, 60% win rate. So don't linger on location too much. I know I made that a really big point in my video last week, so I'm saying it a couple of times. I don't want everyone to, it's in the wrong location, I can't take it. No, still, if you're a double breaking, double break it. You know what I'm saying? My trades yesterday was NQ. I had that pre-market trade. This is the story of my life this week, just getting out for a wash and not losing, basically. So I had a small win first there. And then the second trade. So again, I'm sitting in this long. I missed the double break winning short, but I don't lose money. And then I scalped it long again from 575 to 588. So the first entry was 568 to 580, and then 575 to 588. So playing the same prices over and over there, everybody. It does come higher. Randy, I think, stayed in his trade. It does come higher, but by that time, it was already 12 o'clock. I'm done. You know what I'm saying? I've been trading since 8 o'clock. I'm done by 12 o'clock. So I was happy to be just green, 2,300 yesterday. And then I did pass that options account. So we're going to get that pulled up and maybe we'll take the first funded account trade on that one. That's my 3rd account with Vanquish, everybody. So what's up, Randy? Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Good. Yeah. What did you end up doing yesterday with that trade? How high?
I can I have it right. I took it actually on NQ, then came back over and took it on ES. So
Nice.
I can pull up my screen here for a sec, and hopefully you guys can read that. I just kind of put it side by side so you can kind of see the thought process behind it. But I did like the long on NQ as we kind of held this 29,600 level opening range high lined up with it. So I got in long here. I took a bit of drawdown as soon as I got long. But, at the bottom here, you could see ES was sitting above its New York VWAP. And I just liked how we were, set a little bit of a base here. We broke through this and we held it here. I got long on ES here. And as even NQ came back up, we sat in the opening range high and we pushed higher. I was able to add in, pull my stop up, and then just get out basically at the highs. I just trailed my stop, and same thing on ES, the same trade. So I've never traded both assets at the same time. That's a first for me.
Yeah.
So managing it, because ES, if you look where I entered here, that's fine. I took this trade, but waiting here and seeing this setup, and then the basically the bounce off the New York on ES was just a cleaner setup. Then, so why would I not be taking that trade also if I had another account?
It doesn't even come back to New York fully. Yeah. It's just close.
So it's sitting here now. This is where I was watching Bookmap, and you could see. You're not going to be able to see here where it was sitting on the New York VWAP, but you see some buy icebergs come in, and you could see the buyers stepping in here. And I was just like, we're not going to get New York VWAP. And there's something that, okay, if I see something where, price is bullish, we've had the NVIDIA earnings and whatnot. If I see something on Bookmap, I got to lean into it a little bit. I'm already in the trade on NQ. Mm-hmm. So it was like, I like this here. And sometimes I want to challenge myself. Like, I don't want to wait for the New York VWAP if I'm that close and I see something happening on Bookmap that's telling me that we might bounce here. And you can see if I waited for the New York, I wouldn't have took that trade.
Yeah, I think I still like the NQ bounce better because of the turn. I was in the trade. You held into it longer, so my exit on the second trade was here, Randy. So I'm out of it as it starts to come back through. This is on a 2-minute chart. I feel like instead of buying it here, and everybody was here with me, we should have waited for the pullback, wait for it to come back through, been long in here. I feel like that's the better turn because there you get the touch and actually down through and back through instead of where ES is like, well, is that the pin? Is that the last pin? Because when you take that ES one where it hasn't touched it yet, in the back of your mind, you're always like, well, is it going to come back down a little lower? This one does that hook. So I was in it. So I feel like I should have been in it lower. And then it would have been I think it would have been a more profitable trade from here to here rather than from here to here.
Yes. Oh, I agree for sure.
So still it's just hard to wait for that touch of New York VWAP. No matter what you want to say, everybody, we all want to trade. So it's fucking hard, But if you're on the right side of it, you should be able to manage it for something green,
Coming off the shit price action for the last bit, right? We finally see a breakout of a range that we were sitting in, and it's like we want to get a piece of the action. It's like at the same time, you got to challenge yourself to get a piece of the action then. Like if it's we got to capitalize in the markets when they're moving in a favorable direction, like something we're reading well. Just take it.
Meta's up. Salesforce is up again, another 2%. Chips are a little red, but nothing else overly red. YM is down.
15-minute, just completely flip.
Yep.
Swipe the POC.
Swipe now those overnight lows. Anybody that had to stop in, get them out, and now we go higher.
Yep.
It's above
where
its
does the high
call
low want to be formed from back here? I don't know. Still looks like it's this, but not
call
before
wall on ES is 77.62.
Jeez, look at this. Just completely reversed. NQ.
Picking up speed now. Yeah, look at that. POC, it's up 100 points in 7 minutes.
Yeah. Happy Friday. What up, Randy? Nice living room. I feel like I've seen it a time or two.
If I took it off, you'd see my office is basically, it's bare bones. I stripped everything down. All the shelves gone. I'm painting. It's sad. I didn't realize I started trading in this office. Like when I took everything down and it's a plain room, you can hear my echo probably.
It's all good.
Because it's like obviously new things come from it, and something new and something big, but it's just like this is where Miles was born in this house. I started trading with you guys. I met you guys literally when Miles was born in this house. So
all right, well, let's not cry on a Friday. Okay.
Everyone
relax. No,
Come on,
cuz,
come on.
dude, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that to the people. We're not gonna have them watch you ugly cry on a
You
Friday.
think the people aren't? Do you think the people in the chat aren't crying right now? You just can't see them. They got tears
Yeah.
in their eyes.
No,
too.
no. The people are excited, dude, because Clay's coming on stream in a few minutes, and we're giving away 5 accounts. Apparently, that's what he said.
Yeah.
I'm like, does he have to get clearance on this or no? I guess not. I
Yeah,
have.
The one time he
feel
came
good.
on, he was like, I don't know, like 15. We were like, whoa,
I know that
whoa.
one was crazy when he said 15. I'm like, nah,
What?
dude, like we have to trade. But look,
Like, no,
everybody,
we have
this
to
is
like race these things. Yeah, we're not going to be on stream the whole day.
I was going to say, this is what it looks like when you get a funded account with Vanquish. You can tell the difference here because you could see it says EV for eval or performance account PA. So I still have the 2 evals, but now this is a 50K funded account. And when you log in, it shows you your drawdown. $2,500 is all I can lose. So now in this funded account, we're not going to go crazy. I'm going to only try to, not risk more than a couple $100 per trade to stack some wins in this because you still have to make a buffer before you can take money out of this. Correct, Randy?
Yes, but
I
then I
believe
believe
so.
you can take the whole amount.
Yes.
But what is that buffer? Do you know? 3, 4?
Let's look it up real quick. I think it's less.
Why
than
did I
that.
feel like it's like you had to like pass it twice? Remember we were
Right.
saying that? It's like passing 2 evals because maybe you have to go make another 5.
I want to say it's 4 or 5.
Yeah.
But you
Could
can
be.
take out the whole amount. Like you
Mhm.
can't just take out what's in the buffer, like what's above the buffer.
And I assume there's still a consistency score on this part? Or no?
I'm looking at their FAQ right now. So
Yeah, 30%.
Okay.
yeah, 30%. You can request all of your profit as long as you met the rules. There's no payout caps. However, if you request your balance, it will close your account, of course. It says requesting a payout before reaching the profit buffer. If you ask for a payout before the payout comes straight out of your account balance, makes your balance lower and brings you closer to your loss limit. So you can take it before you hit the buffer.
It's like TPT. I don't know. TPT, you could take a payout within your buffer, but then it was only like 50%.
Yeah,
Not
they-
so
when
that
it's
was a little sneaky one on TPT's part. You only get they only allow you,
You
to
get half.
and they take 50%.
Yep.
So it says on a 50K basic options plan, your profit buffer is reached at 52,875, but I have an advanced options plan, so I'm not sure if it's the same. Your account is at 5,100. You request 1,000. Now you're at 50K. That moves your max loss to 48.5. That's easy to understand.
Fuck it, just YOLO it and try and get a payout today. Let's do it.
So the thing is if you build the buffer, let's say you make 55K, you can take out 4,600 and then it closes the account. You can take basically the whole thing out.
But if you chose to take out half, that remaining is
still
your
have
buffer?
Yes.
Okay.
Because it says your fixed loss limit is 50,375.
The open range is going to be set here in 30 seconds. Nice and bullish from ES the whole way through. NQ 3 minutes down. Recovered all of it. Back above both few ups as well. So we'll see if we get double breaks or not. ES is a lot closer to its overnight VWAP. I guess NQ is just the same. But nothing yet. It's a nice strong open from NQ, but no entries. And then YM been moving lower. Now the chip stock's actually moving up to fill their gap, but coming back down. Slow and steady on a Friday.
I saw your video on the 40 Delta, Austin.
Yeah.
So Delta
made a
does not move when price moves. Delta stays because the Delta is like 47 on a 773 call, 0.47. And as price moves up and down, it's not changing. I wonder when that changes.
Yep, Vanquish loaded up. Nothing yet. I'd like to buy calls if we can get a nice pullback.
I'm just checking everything else here.
Yeah, like health technology red. Some of the main tech is still
Is
red.
no one
but
putting Evan, what's wrong with the giveaway today? Everybody put your name on the giveaway form. Is it not working? I'm not getting any names. Did nobody
We
put
got
it
too
on
much
there?
money, man. Don't worry about it.
No names.
All right.
Damn, chat. So that's why half of you are here.
Chat's too busy wiping the tears from their eyes.
Thoughts on a mid-range playoff I know it's 50-50. Yeah, Colby, I think if you buy anything like ES mid-range here, 77.50, you wouldn't want to be in under 77.40. So if you're buying 77.50, play price. You know, the problem here is this has not touched overnight VWAP since 7 o'clock this morning. So a pullback to overnight VWAP could definitely be coming. A double break short on that would not a terrible place. You're just very far above value area high too. So I think we just need to give it a few more minutes. You just set the opening range. You know, if you're new to the stream, we don't take trades usually in the first 15 minutes because now we have levels to trade from. Look how nicely on ES, we're above value area high from yesterday. Overnight VWAP lines up with opening range low. How nice would longs be off that level? Super nice, you know? So a little more time will often lead you to better trades. A little more time, a little more patience. I'm trying to figure out the answer to this question. All right, wait. So now listen.
Giveaway.
No profit target in the here. Look, this is what maybe we should be looking at, not the FAQ, because the FAQ isn't specific to the advanced options account. So they have two types of accounts: options and advanced options. I have a 50K. Once you're funded, minimum payout of 250, no profit target. Minimum trading days 4 days, 30% consistency. So as long as you do as long as you follow 30% consistency over the 4 days, you could technically take a payout right there after the 4 days, correct?
Yeah, that's what it is. It's a minimum for it. There's a minimum in there somewhere. It wasn't buffer. It's the 4 days.
Got it. So as long as you're following a 30% consistency over 4 or 5 days, so basically weekly, right? Taking a payout every week. If you make $500 a trade, you can still do some damage with the smaller account.
So I just bought some 744 calls. Or sorry, 774 calls.
Okay. I like that. I don't like shorts, so.
Yes, chat. If you put your name in the giveaway, it's working, so don't do it again.
Okay.
We already had one person put 2 different emails with the same name, so you're banned.
You're
Happy
ruthless, bro. Happy Friday, bitch.
Happy Friday.
Ken out of all people. Can't believe it.
Yeah,
No, not him. No.
Look at me, dude. I look like Scott Pulsini with all this stuff on my chart. No, this is my my options trades yesterday. I'll show you guys real quick. It was actually pretty simple. So I bought all calls yesterday, made 590. That's what got me funded. I bought at 10 a.m. first, and then 10:05 I added. You can see I bought 15, and then I bought 5 at 10 o'clock and 10:05. I sold all 20 of those at 10:19. So that was a 20-minute trade from here to here. The green arrows are the entry, the red arrows the exit. Then 5 minutes later at 10:24 right here, I buy 771 calls, 25 of them. Doesn't matter. I'm still buying calls, so it's still bullish. I buy 25 of them for 48 cents. I sell those 3 minutes later up for 61 cents. Here to here. So that was it. And that was 590. Options is cool. I like it with how scalpy you can be. I think it's fun. All right, we got a break out of opening range high on SPY. That's interesting. On the top. I wonder if we could put SPY in the ticker. You have it on ES too, so that doesn't matter. Oh, look at that. There's your double break. Hello. Double break short for the pullback to overnight VWAP, maybe?
I got a small pin through the top of the opening range. On
Yeah,
mine.
yeah, same. I'm getting the signal. Yeah, it painted.
Yep. Minis as well. I know there's chat saying there's news at 10, the consumer sentiment or something probably.
Probably work in 10
And
minutes.
then Fed speakers. But
Yeah, Warsh starts talking at 10 a.m.
the heat map move on that?
He's probably up on the stage 10 minutes early yapping.
No.
Probably new home sales.
See, this may be one because of how close that TP is. You kind of can't wait the extra minute, you know?
No, I mean, the NQ has been giving you shorts immediately, paying no drawdown. And especially when you have that clear target of the overnight view up right there.
Mm-hmm. You got to go.
Yeah. Like if you wait for a confirmation candle, you're probably now 2 points from your TP. That now even
I mean,
worth
look at what the indicator's saying. You want to play 77.50 to 43 with the stop at 58. There's your prices.
NQ also small break there, so that's at least good that there's no mid-range trade there. It's either going to give a double break or bounce off these two VWAPs. Looking rangy again with that flipping right on the next 945 candle.
Yep. I see what you're saying. Yeah, so you've been above value area high for a little bit on NQ.
I just like how it held that POC real quick.
Going to get the signal potentially on NQ next. If it closes bearish.
By the time it might give you one, ES might have played out.
Yeah. Is anyone short ES? It's just so tight. $77.25 does have orders on it down below. That would be all the way back into value area. Lucas is short. Dusty is short NQ. Jordan's in. Good morning, Liam.
See if we can get a turn. If I'm going to long it, you need a bounce. Otherwise, you get caught in the falling knife.
Well,
I got to load it up on options. Just for the day, I mean, if we make another new lower than that new low, it's swiped at the open, then I don't know if I want to be long today on NQ.
I'm going to long NQ right here.
Yeah, I got a 7.
I like to stop, you know?
Opening
I like to stop it at the range low. Yeah. If it holds value area high and holds these VWAPs, hopefully it doesn't cut me quick, because then we're going to get a double break short. But I still like the location of it off value area high too.
Yeah. Let ES play out.
It's been the theme of my week. I'm just on the wrong side of the double breaks. I'm not going to lose money. Maybe I will, but I won't be in the double break again. Because there it is. Look, it's short.
There she is.
Yep. You want to short it off value area high, Evan? You going to take it?
And the overnight view up on a bullish overnight, sideways bullish.
What's bearish today to make us bearish in Stockland?
Stockland. It's
Nvidia down 1%.
Yeah. SanDisk, Versoxel, Micron.
How's the ES one looking? We'll bring Clay on in a minute, everybody. Make sure you get your name on the giveaway form. Let's see what we can shake and bake here. I don't even need it to move to the high. I'm not married for the high. I'd like to just see what we do in 7 minutes. If it does move quickly to the high, I'll move the TP out of the way. It's so looking weird on the 15-minute, though, isn't it?
Yep. You're going to have to probably see through 10 o'clock, get something on that.
I'm long at 641 on NQ.
Nice.
And are you still long already on ES, or did I miss something?
I didn't take the long on ES.
Okay.
I got options running in ES.
Yes, he's got options long.
774s.
Okay.
I like ES, but I'm just buying it below the New York then.
Okay, well, now that we're all in something, we can introduce the man, the myth, the legend himself, live from Brazil, coming in hot with a beautiful head of hair, looking tan too, bringing his bag of goodies and giveaways.
What
Mr.
up?
Clay Hodges, what's up, bro?
What up, dude? Hey, is that Randy? Is that a real background?
Yeah, I'm in Mexico, bro. This is my house.
No.
Nice. Is that a grand piano?
What's
It's
up,
like
Clay?
you're-
The office is demolished, so I had to have a background.
I
It's a
like
Zoom
it, dude.
background.
It's like your narco palace.
Exactly.
That would be sick.
Exactly.
Dude,
What's up,
speaking of
Clay?
hair- Speaking of hair, man, yours like the blonde washed out and it left gray.
I didn't wash it out. I cut it out like on Monday this week, so I have like a little tip of blonde still, so it looks gray. So it'll be gone soon.
It's kind of legit though. Not gonna lie, I saw it in like your last reel, and it looked like like the past few months have just weathered you, dude.
That's what a lot of people.
All those
I was
double
like,
break,
good. It's
all those double break profits. That's the give and take of it.
yeah. You know, it's a hard life out here, dude. It's a hard life with the VWAP. But no, dude, no, not great yet. Unfortunately, I'm trying to be. I think Randy has the best hair of the group, even better than Evan. But I'm not there yet, unfortunately. But
I
dude,
mean, Evan is superb.
well, Evan has the fountain of youth. You know what I mean?
Right. I had to go to
Mine
I had to
well
go to
overgrown.
Turkey to get hair like fucking Evans, dude.
It's true, bro. So what's good with you, Clay? Chat says what's up. Everybody's saying what's up.
What's up,
I
chat?
told him you're bringing giveaways, dude.
Yeah. Let's run them. Let's do like some 50K elite dailies or ignites. What I was on Prop for Match stream yesterday, and people like it was teammate Alex, and you know he liked the daily accounts, but I know your traders seem to like instant funded. So what do the people want? Ignites, dailies?
Well, what do you think they like about the dailies? Maybe you can educate us a little bit on what's so appealing about the dailies to some of the audience that's not trading.
Well, I think that gets down to like the culture of the group, right? So there, it's like prop for match. I think a lot of the psychology there is, just slinging evals, which is all right,
Yeah.
But with your ASFX as a whole, I'm not just saying this, is like one of the highest payout percentage group. I think it's because of the way you all trade. People trade instant funded accounts. They don't try to like.
Are you saying we're a prop firm's worst nightmare?
Not quite. Not
quite. All right.
Up there. But no, it's good because your traders, the prop firm's worst nightmare are the ones that just
try to game the system.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Cycle through.
Can we get your take on this? Do you have a take? You can pass on this if you want, but do you have a hot take on the drama on Twitter about these rewards and the rebates and all that?
Yeah. I mean, look. So I was a little confused on whether or not they're lumping prop for match into it. Or not, because I mean, you buy accounts off prop for match and you can like rebate those in for the accounts. So I mean, it's in there. And look, I think prop for match is great for the most part a like objective. I wouldn't say they're fully objective though. Like third party verification system. Like my FX book back in the day with Forex.
Oh yeah, dude.
You know what I'm saying? If people are like, if you linked up your account to my FX book and it's verified, it's like you can't really argue with that. I think what's the account that you can see the payouts or the website?
Payout Junction.
I think that's way more
a barometer.
Yeah, because like I
don't know anyone that's left a review or anything there yet either. So I think you're onto something there. But do you think that
we link our accounts to Rise? So if people are doing payout methods like crypto and stuff, it's not counting in some other ones. But I guess what I'm trying to say is that like people launch these third party review sites and they're really not legit because like the thing is they are a lot of way extortion schemes, right? Because if you don't
play ball sometimes and stuff,
if you don't play ball with them or say put up the capital or pay to be on the site and don't pay enough, then they're not going to put you up and rank you high. So really like prop for match doesn't do that really. So, but like a lot of the ones I think that they're calling out do. I mean, I don't know. That's just my perspective of it. I don't know. I don't think they're a good thing.
I don't think it's them necessarily that's getting called out. Real quick, I closed my NQ long, everybody, before this news, just in case. So I'm flat on everything. I got 2,300 on that. We'll talk about this in a second in copy trading. But just on that point, Clay, I think the take was like the rebate, like the cash back disincentivizes small creators to want to work with a prop firm now because that prop firm is prioritizing people with rebate that do rebate. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, all right, let's see it shake here. Look at it. Look at her shaking. She's shaking a little, Randy.
We got the news.
We got the news in here.
Forget what.
Did I top tick the exit? Let's see. Will Austin have top ticked it or are we going higher? Let's see.
No.
Higher now.
What news was that?
It's Michigan sentiment news, 10 a.m., I believe. Oh, there it is. There's a nice little bone.
We take 700. We're getting 800 on the Qs.
Randy, you got to. Greedy Randy's out, everybody. Hold on here.
It's Friday.
Back to all-time highs.
Come out sometime.
You got to take profit at some point.
I have drinks on Fridays. When do I get greedy? I get greedy on Fridays.
Nice. You're about to head down to the bar after.
Yeah, so I mean, a lot of us were avoiding that double break short. Was anyone in the NQ short and held it into the news there? Hopefully not.
Bob said got stopped out on that. Yeah, ES terrible.
Oh yeah, look at that ES.
Double break paid on that. That's so
because it went lower first. Yeah, it's weird looking.
That's disgusting.
Yeah,
NQ double break lost.
Stopped out. So on the queue, best exit, Austin, me too, exit before you close. I mean, why were we not holding it and then getting out before the news there, boys? What was the thought? Who got stopped before the news? I don't understand because we've been in profit on the NQ long. Oh, if you were short, you're saying you got okay. I got it. I took a short but closed it before the news. I didn't like my entry. Yeah, slow down, everybody. You know what I mean? It's just one trade. I think the value area here kind of kept me out of the short. If you look at this, right? So I didn't like location on value area high. We get a little bounce. I closed it before the 10 a.m. news. It's a small win, but it's actually it could be the second biggest day of the week for me if I stop right now. So yeah, now with it being news, none of these moves are trustworthy. You got to give this 5 minutes to shake out, 10 minutes to shake out. Clay,
Warsh is actually saying comments.
Yeah. Clay, I was going to ask you, bro, how are you from the outside seeing the copy trading being done? Is it becoming more popular? Are people buying more and more accounts now with you guys at the lower price and then doing more copy trading, do you think, now than 6 months ago?
Yeah, I think so. And we talk about this pretty regularly when I come on here. I am a big look for top one. If somebody wants to buy, 40 accounts and copy trade them all, and like you can't do that. You can do 10, but just as a point, sure, that would be good for us. But from a personal trader point of view, I want to see you guys win. Don't start copy trading until you're ready to, or copy trade 3 at a time. I think the best way to do it, unless Austin, you're doing it a great way, but you have a proven track record, to be able to do it, trade that much capital on that many accounts.
Yeah.
I like what Zarb does. He does his
me too.
risk, where he does like groups of 3, groups of 5. Like you could do 10 access accounts, do 3 groups of 3. There you have 9, and then you could have like just a cowboy account if you wanted to just sling it.
I like that. Yeah. Zarb's killing it, bro. Shout out Zarb, crushing it.
Yeah, he took like a huge win yesterday with one micro. One micro. Yeah, dude, it was he's in the zone, man. So
he's crushing it.
So this is the new DB.
This is the DB. I'm thinking about getting short here, boys.
About to get another double break short on NQ, like another signal. It's crazy. ES, that one bar was the entirety of the range.
I like that the news candle pin could be my stop on this double break short.
Well, is it a double break short? Oh, you're looking at NQ still? Yeah.
Yeah, and the buyers aren't holding above value area, so now maybe my value area location's not as valid. News is in now.
Yeah, it's just as rangy as yesterday.
Moving. It's moving. Fuck. Look at that thing. You move so much.
Bottom of range.
Fast. Yeah, it's fast. I'm going to wait a second.
ES didn't even give you the second signal.
I might miss it, but it's going to come down. I like that stop up at that 29,700, that news pin.
Yeah, what?
So you're getting more on NQ than
ES has just been slow this last 2 weeks in some ways. You know what I mean? And I'm liking that small size can still kind of pay on NQ because I am trading much smaller with all these accounts, especially with your live account.
And you like to scalp. Like it suits you very well.
And I'm a scalper. So it's like, it is kind of better for scalpers. You know what I mean? I'm definitely a scalper. But Clay, I have to give you a shout out, bro. You and the team really took care of me this week, setting up the live account. Can you explain? Do you know? And if you don't know, it's okay. We'll get the information and I'll pass it on. But do you know why are we starting these new live accounts at 0 balance? Not that it's a bad thing. I just want to understand. Because I have like 4K a drawdown. Like I understand the rules, but why 0 balance?
Well, that's how all live accounts start,
Got
because you could, if we had X amount in say a plus 500 broker account, then like we could put your balance at 100K or whatever. But generally say if we have half that in a broker account, which would be more accurate to like support your capital, then the starting balance starts at 0. Unless we want to go and top up the a plus 500 account with multiple 6 figures, close to 7 figures of capital.
That's what I figured.
So don't fuck this up. No, I'm not,
dude. I'm up this week. It's been really good. Shane's been taking care of me.
No, man,
I'm gonna keep it, bro. I'm pumped.
Yeah, I think you have a awesome framework now, because then you're trading 2 micros at a time and getting paid. It's pretty insane, right? So
yeah, I'm this short here's I'm in profit now on this one. You could just see I'll scalp it to just there like that. It's crazy, but that's $50. Yeah, so now we're up 3,700 on the day. So just stacking these small wins, but psychologically, the $3,000, $4,000, 10 grand, like it makes me happy. You know what I mean? So, and I have this multiplier on Clay, which is really cool with Trade Syncer. So I want to talk to you about Black Arrow because I don't know too much about their trade copier, and I know the audience kind of knows Black Arrow is coming, but I was hoping that they'll have a trade copier with this multiplier because, like, psychologically, dude, you're speaking about like who should copy trade and who should not. The crazy thing is, like, I still have issues with P&L, but by doing this multiplier, I see myself, I'm risking 100 or 200, keeping it tight. But really on these evals and some of these instant fundeds, I'm at 250 instead of 100. You know what I'm saying? And that's actually helped.
It up in there.
Yeah, that's really helped me. So, yeah, so talk to us about Black Arrow, bro. Talk to me. What's coming? When's it coming? I know the audience is like, super excited about this because we've been talking about deep charts. We've been talking about book, like all these different softwares. And then in the background, you have this like advanced, super comprehensive platform coming. And you guys are really the first prop firm, I think Randy was telling me, other than EOS, which is like a Brazil prop firm Randy's working with, but some of these people listening don't even know what that is yet. So like you guys are the first US prop firm with Black Arrow, right?
Yeah. So, I mean, there's so many facets to the platform and like people in Brazil too, because especially trading is a lot newer to, them down there. Not saying a good or bad thing, but like future trading and prop trading. So like the robustness of that platform is, really like what people want there. Now here, a lot of people just want to be like, hey, where do I press buy or sell? And how do I take a payout? So I would just encourage everybody to like really dive into what the platform can do. But they have housed it in a super user-friendly like way. So I guess I'm giving you a super long answer, but
it's a good answer.
Yeah. So and then what was the question though?
I was just saying with Randy being the lead for us into Black Arrow, I was just saying for you to kind of introduce what's coming, when's it coming. I think you said September 9th, right? Is the potential launch date.
Dude, we just finished the first round of testing this week. So man, if not even before that. Now, Nalogica, which is the company that owns Black Arrow, owns 51% of Bookmap. So they have like the big stake in it. So a cool thing with it is Bookmap is going to be integrated with the platform. So there's some nuances to that, and they're like working it out right now. So that's going to be, nobody has that. It'll save you on different fees and having like 6 different windows open. And man, the platform is just what it can do as opposed to TradingView. And like, look, I love TradingView because I built a bunch of indicators and have been using it for 10 years, it's a tough sell. I understand to like get somebody off any platform, but as anything that TradingView can do, it can do, man, I'd say at least 2 to 5 times better. And what with the trade copying, what's cool is they call it here like replicating, but it's like the exact same thing that Trade Syncer can do. Yeah. And the more prop firms that get on it, and I think there definitely will be more for sure, because like Society and those guys are literally.
He told me they're talking to Futures Elite already.
Nice, perfect. So what you'll be able to do is cross copy like any other prop firm that's on that platform. You'll be able to use the copy trader kind of like you would with Project X, how it was like so simple to hook up, but with other like cross
platform wars, bro. This is the same thing like Charts has and all these other platform wars, bro. For sure.
For sure. So we're super excited. It's going to be.
Me too, bro. Because I liked it. I mean, me and Randy actually saw it for the first time back in LA 2 Octobers ago. So this has been like almost 2 years of like kind of cooking, seeing them grow, and then kind of seeing it evolve now. Right, Randy? Was it 2 Octobers ago or 1 October ago?
It was last October because I was in Mexico.
A year ago.
It was supposed to come out that year, and then they were talking about like the whole Bookmap integration, and you and I were just like, this is going to be cool. And then obviously it wasn't as easy getting the Bookmap integration.
But Chad, tell me if I'm wrong. First of all, everybody, great job getting back on the short. Sean, good job. Put your name on the giveaway form. But Chad, I want to know who's interested in Bookmap. Like if you could get a prop account with Bookmap already added into it, like part of the software that you're trading, would you be interested in that? Because that's what Black Arrow is going to potentially be. And
also, too, think about it. Like if you were watching you on stream and like watching the book map. It's not cheap, and you're like, I'd love to do that, but man, I'm paying 6 different subscriptions right now. Like I can't do that now. It'd be a great way to learn how to use it because it's already in there, So
100%.
Yeah. No, and the thing about Black Arrows, they're not like another platform for prop trading. Like they are just now breaking into prop trading, but they're a broker's platform.
Exactly.
All the way up to institutional trading. So like the fear of the platform collapsing, like what?
So was I wrong then in thinking you need to have a software to run the book map? Is that what your message was this morning? Was that the misunderstanding? So you won't need separate. Okay, good. Because I think other than that, there's no obstacle. You know what I mean? Sometimes people are resistant to having to download software versus using a web app. So as long as it can be web-based, I think it's going to be sick. I know they're cooking up the Mac version and all that stuff too.
Yeah. So the thing is, it runs off level 2 data, right?
Yeah.
So you would have to pay for more data, but it's not like an upsell to use it.
Got it.
But we're working it out for to go with the launch. So that's going to be, we're basically going to eat the cost of that too.
Yeah, I'm excited for it. I figured we were going to cook something up for everybody. Yeah, coming lower here. Coming lower, boys.
Oh, yeah.
So 1 win, 1 loss. Double break short on NQ loses into the news. It stops you out into the news. And then double break short presents again, and that's the winner. And that one's now lower than my exit. I was out at previous day New York VWAP, but it's now lower. So 1 win, 1 loss there. Same thing on ES or just 1 loss on ES?
I took ES short.
Nice. Nice.
77.35. Yeah, dude, I've gone full on VWAP.
Fuck yeah, bro. It works, dude. If it would no ego, it works. What are we looking at here, Evan Nasty? What do you got?
Maybe this previous day's New York VWAP, but it looks like NQ just clearly sliding right through it and through its BOC. And then one thing to look at, I think Sean in the BSC was asking about it yesterday. If you look at the indicator on YM, it's got like that, whatever symbol you want to call it once it loads. This circle, the red circle with the line through it. So I think I thought it yesterday as well, but I think it's confirming here that there's no double breaks, and there's never gonna be a double break now because it already has broke both sides of it. So like basically, don't wait for one to present. It's not gonna.
It's cooked.
It came and went, but there was no signal.
Okay,
you know what I mean?
Thank you.
Yeah.
So what do we have then?
One break happened in the same 1 minute bar, so there was no trade to take, and you can't look for a double break now because it already fulfilled. So just means there's no trade. Never was, never will be.
Yeah, that's on YM.
So, have all you guys been crushing it this month in August?
Not crushing it. I haven't. None of us. I think maybe Randy. Did you take any payouts? I think from Futures Elite 2 this month. That's it.
That was it.
And I haven't taken any, Clay. So no payouts this month. Survive, but haven't blown any accounts. That's my claim to fame.
Oh, okay. So man, I was under the impression that all you guys have been, crushing it.
August has definitely. Dude, look, I'll show you. August.
Double stop fading the double break.
No, because
fading and just take it.
Yeah. So this week I made a video about it yesterday. I'm ending up on the wrong side of the double break, but I'm not losing because I'm trading with trend. The double break will go and win, and I'll still manage it for like a small break even or a small green. So like I've just been on the wrong side of it. This week could have been a really good week, but like this month still up. I'm up, just not payout eligible other than on the live account. You know what I mean? None of the other accounts are payout eligible. But dude, July was really good. June was really good. Luna was like 19 for 18 on his just taking double breaks in July, But
Luna?
Yeah. Luna's been Luna's in the Black Shirt Club. He's been keeping really good data. He's been talking about it on Prop for a Match TV. So now there's a bunch of people on Prop for a Match TV that know us for the double break, which is fine.
That's why I call Luna. I know everybody works hard in this industry, but he's like he's secret.
A dog, bro.
Yeah. I was on Nick Stewart's
he is a Nick Stewart.
But see, Luna comes off just like a soft-spoken, nice guy. You wouldn't realize he's a dog like that.
Yeah, exactly.
You can tell though. Yeah,
exactly, for sure. So no, I've been going on his stream a lot because we're an hour before Eastern, so maybe
so that's
on
nice.
London is perfect.
Yep.
And yeah, no, I didn't know. I'd stop because of the market being more in a range that there's a lot more double play.
There is.
For you guys.
Dude, the double break. I think the double break on ES. If you played every single one up until today, Evan, am I right? This week they all won.
It was 5 in a row before yesterday.
Yeah. So it's the extra stuff, Clay. It's me. Oh, I don't want to take the double break today. I'm going to take the pull back to VWAP instead, and then I'm break even instead of nicely green. That's been the story of this week.
Yeah, and NQ won all this week except for this first one today lost, but then still it gives you another to make it back. So it still has one every day. There was a loser in front of it today, but still a winning one. nonetheless.
I think I traded it really well today. Long
Yeah.
out before the news, and then short took a chunk of the short. Now I could have made more on the short for sure, but I think Clay, you've been trading long enough, bro. You know how it is. Strategies never really stop working; they just work a little bit less or work a little bit more, and you have to be able to adapt.
You know, so like it's not the time to be like, oh shit, you know, I had like 2-3 bad weeks, so like I got to change everything. You know,
Correct.
But so like with what you said with the double break indicator, is it like if you've just followed that completely, you would have been crushing it?
Yep. I would have made more money this week for sure.
But the 2 days prior to the
for our own
6
good.
days winning in a row, it lost twice.
I'll show you, Clay. Since you asked, I'll show you really quick because yesterday I did a video about it, so I can pull it up really quick. If you look at, for example, Wednesday's trade and Monday's trade. So Monday, there's a double break right here, long, but we are under previous day value area. So I wanted to be short. I didn't want to be long. So I get short here. I close it here for a small win, but the double break ends up working and coming to TP. You see what I'm saying? So I'm not wrong.
You made a video about this one, right?
Yep. And then I had the same thought here. So I get long here because we're moving higher, out, pull back, out, pull back. So I'm going to go out again. Stop at the session low. We are at value area high. So I'm like, I don't want to short it. Well, what does it do? Double break short works in fucking 10 minutes perfectly, almost to target. It doesn't stop me, and I close it here for a break even. So you see what I'm saying? I'm missing that easy double break, but I'm not getting cooked either.
Right.
It's cool. It's interesting. It's very interesting. You know what I mean? For me to not blow any accounts. I've had these accounts all for the entire month plus, like all these accounts. So that's the win. You know what I mean? I know a lot of people are getting cooked this month. So.
And that's a different psychology because some people are like, you know, I lost 8K or 10K in accounts and took 14K in payouts. So I'm up. But you're still looking at because you're trading a live account.
I don't look at it that way. I'm trying to keep my spend low because I don't need, like I have other income, so I don't need to take payouts. I need to just keep my spend low, really, you know, because then when I do take them, all these accounts to pay out, it's going to be massive, you know?
Well, and I'd say probably one day, obviously the ROI on prop firms is obvious, right? But like your own capital.
That's what I'm saying. I would never be the guy to, like, some of these guys spend 50K, 60K, 70K a month more on prop accounts. Bro, that's insane to me. I would never do that. I would just put that money in my own brokerage account. And then like you guys have given me a live account. I can fund my own live account. And then like, that's enough right there. You know what I mean? So it's like, I just am going a different path than the sim farm boys, you know, the high spend boys, I should say. Not that it doesn't work, dude. They're taking big payouts, but like,
but it's the right path.
But dude, some guys are like, when you advocate for that, there's definitely a lot of people that die along that path, that blow out and spend a lot of money and don't take payouts, following some guy on Twitter. You know what I'm saying? Where I'm trying to always be conscious of the people that follow me, trying to keep the bottom line intact for them, you know?
And also too, let's just be real that like most traders aren't getting like affiliate deals to
correct
trade, you know, 30 accounts a month or 20 accounts, right?
Correct. And some of these guys are. Yeah, exactly. They
nobody
get
talks
them for free. Nobody talks about that. Right. Exactly. Yeah, even like we've had guys that have
real on here, dude. We're just keeping it real.
We keep it. Well, this our audience already knows. I tell them this. I've almost aired everybody's names out of all the people blowing accounts with TOF and asking for more and stuff. Everybody knows. You know what I mean? It's. But you know what, dude? I think talking about that is how we have actually built trust with people, and then people use our code not just for the giveaway that we're running this month with the cash giveaway, but they use it because they want to actually support us. They know the three of us are eating off of this, so it's like. They like us. They want to support us. I think that's the idea of these affiliate codes. It's to support the people that you like. You know, it's not like you get billions of dollars off of affiliate codes. You're making fractions off of this, you know, everybody. So yeah, it's a good point, Clay. Well, you know, what do you think of this giveaway we're running? You like this? Use the code.
I love the giveaway. I think it's dope. And then it just reminded me, I haven't seen Alex respond, but I'll just let the ASFX people know. We're one of our payment merchants has a NFL box to Jaguars Pittsburgh Monday night game, like December 14th. And I'm trying to get box seats with ASFX, and then we'll have like a promotion to enter to win, like, you know,
I may
Now
have
that you
teased that
said it, the
already.
chat's gonna hold you to it.
I may have
Right.
teased it already too, Clay, because I'm excited.
Oh, did you? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Well,
I may
because
have
I'm
teased it already. Not to
All right.
steal the
Can't tell this
thunder,
guy
but I
nothing.
was just
fuck,
excited.
all
Dude.
right.
But you know
Okay,
what,
I
bro?
thought I was
Listen,
dropping
now
a
we're
bomb on
fucked,
here,
bro. Because
dude.
now you brought it up and I brought it up. So now if we don't do it, we're fucked. Now we got to buy the
That's
tickets
what
for
I'd
the
be more
box.
worried about.
Yeah.
Then we should just buy some seats.
We're just
Buy-
buying the box. Yeah, 100%,
Yep.
bro. 100%.
No, Austin can't keep
Hope
anything
this
in.
is the game too.
Dude, I want to do the if it works well, Clay. I want to do the NBA game in January or February. You know what I'm saying? Let's go see LeBron. If the NFL game goes well, we'll do like 2 or 3 guys come to the NBA game with us. You know?
I'd be less stoked about an NBA game.
I know, dude. I know you'd rather go to the WNBA, but we'll try to, you know.
That's right. Or the LPGA, dude.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds great, dude. I
They
actually
wanna play it in
suggested
my
that, Clay. I
hometown.
was like, dude, we should go to a golf thing. We'll all fly the
I
field.
would love that. Go to like, the last day
Something
of-
easy, dude. The Genesis Open in Tampa. It's easy, but you hang out all day. You get tickets, get food. That'd be so much fun.
That would be fun. That would.
I think we should do that too this year. If we could do 3 this year, football, basketball, golf, that'd be
Golf is a blast to see.
golf is a
live.
blast, dude.
Yeah, because you
And
see
me
how
and you were
good-
going to the World Series once. It's Yankees Phillies.
Yeah, Yankees,
We already
Phillies,
said
World
that.
Series.
Oh, that would be sick, dude.
All right, we got hold on.
absolutely
Let's
going.
get our giveaway ready, Evan. Let's get our giveaway before we get too distracted. Everybody, last call. If you're watching on social, you got to rush right now. Click the link in my bio. Sign up for ASFX TV. The giveaway form is in the ASFX TV chat. I got people in the chat long. ES, Alex, is anyone
Right.
long? You're back above
I added
value
into
area. You're
my-
back above VWAP. Go
I
ahead, Evan.
added into the queues to try to eat back some of that decay.
I know
Could've had a
Randy's
nice
still in his
exit
long, right,
on the
Randy?
dude.
No, I took a stop on the first long. I just got
Oh,
long
I
again.
thought you were still in it. You didn't say anything.
No. I got long. You guys were talking. I got long again. I
Okay.
just got long. So
Okay,
I'm long back on NQ, and I'm actually long in ES and another set of accounts.
nice.
So I could have pulled it here for like $700 on that news pop, and then with all this decay, just pretty
Yeah.
much added back in on the reclaim of VWAP.
Good,
Just 10.
good.
I was long originally 20. So
No,
now, like,
you should have
doubling
added
down.
30. Now you'd be in profit, and then you close it a second
I'm
later.
back
You have
at-
to add it.
Yeah,
heavy.
I am still red when we're at like higher than the price I bought earlier.
You can get flat and then reassess. We bounced off
Yeah,
of
I like
yesterday's
it.
New York VWAP perfectly. Look
It's
at
a
that.
nice run up for like 15 minutes.
It's a nice
I don't know
run
how
up.
much longer wants to sustain without a pullback. That's for sure. So gonna have to give this one time for sure.
I took a long off the New York, previous New York VWAP.
Bounce.
ES or NQ?
Yes.
They're
Yes.
both
I'm
bounced.
just,
Yeah.
yes, too. I'm going old school Austin with the VWAPs. And I've been using the standard deviation band a lot, too. So,
I'm looking at SPY at maybe taking longs. I'm not in it yet. Let's see if it'll hold this New York VWAP. It's retesting right now.
I know some people have the success with those deviation bands in Asia. If you're looking at like overnight trading, Clay.
yeah. Man, I mean, around like 10 o'clock, there's always a move. In between 10 and 11, there is a move, So, yeah, no, I've been looking at it, a lot of Chris Drysdale stuff and auction market theory of thinking of it in that framework.
Yeah.
Really just makes a lot of sense to me. Like clearly this past week, we've just been in the range where, price is just really like unable to break out and break to a different level. And so fades back to VWAP as long as we're inside some structure. It's
Did
pretty
I tell you, Clay? I'm working on a book similar to Drysdale.
Nice.
VWAP trading concepts. It'll be all about how we trade. It'll have soft cover, hard cover. We're going to try to get it out by the end of the year. It's almost done.
Man, that's amazing. I was thinking about how do people write books now without using AI?
No, we're using AI. So I'll tell you what we've been doing. I don't know what other people are doing, but it's a cool process. I'm working with this guy that's been in the Black Shirt Club. He was the one that put me on. He was like, I'm buying these options right now, by the way, on SPY. 770 calls. Only 4 of them because I'm on this funded account. But 770 calls is what I'm taking for $2.33. What I was saying, Clay, is the calls that we do all get recorded. So he puts the recordings into AI, so the AI like knows how I talk and gets to know me a little bit more. And then we proofread it and I add to it, and then we put it back through AI. So it's not like we just spit back and forth. It's like the tool. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want the book to sound like AI. The book is going to sound like me, but the AI is helping me structure the ideas because I don't know how to structure a book correctly. You know what I'm saying? Then make it flow and make. I'm not a grammatical person. If you just made me write a book, there would be hundreds of grammar errors because I use commas and ... wrong. Like So that's where I need the AI. You know what I mean? It's like the bumpers, but I'm still rolling
Yeah,
them up, you know?
Yeah, so and then and the reason why I was wondering it, I was like, man, do publishers allow people to use AI, or how does that work? You know, because
I
don't want to
really don't know. That's a great question.
you
But I'm not
self-publish?
doing any publisher. I gave up fully on the idea of doing a publisher. We met with one, didn't like it at all, hated the idea, and then decided self-publishing is just way better. So we're going self-publishing. It's print on demand, actually. So it's self-published by me, and I'll have the rights to the book through the business, but it's print on demand. So once someone orders it, you buy it, Amazon prints that hardcover for you right away. But I was negotiating with the chat this week because I was saying to them, if they want a bunch of markups in the book, it makes the book more expensive. It's like 70 cents per markup, 50 cents, 70 cents per photo. So I was saying,
Is that why Brian Shannon's book's like fucking $300?
It's not $300.
It's like 150.
Maybe to get it in Brazil, it's $300. But yeah, no, dude. But that's why. Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
probably.
That is why. Yeah, color. His is color too. Ours probably won't be color. If I can make it color, I'll make it. I'm not going to make the book more than $40, no matter what. I'll pull markups out before it has to go over $40. I think over $40, it's too much. Why?
Yeah.
I don't know, because I think it then shuts people off. Like, I want to sell this to people in Bangladesh, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Maybe you do like a markup version, no markup.
Randy,
version.
what do you mean you're gonna do? No, you're gonna translate it to Hindu for us, bro.
I don't speak Hindi, man. I'm Punjab. Let's go. I'm almost more hurt that you don't know I'm a Punjab by now.
What do they speak?
Different language.
And you know that book too for people that are just learning about you, or it's like a lead magnet. You know what I mean? I bought a book and I never received it from Ty Lopez, and it was like one of those. Dude, it was like one of those, free, but you pay shipping, and of course, shipping was like $25.
Of course,
I remember all those. Yeah, wow.
And the book hadn't been made yet. I emailed him. I was like, "Hey, where's my book? It's been."
Next video you watch, Ty's buying a new car. He's showing his Lambo or something.
Right.
Yeah, exactly, dude.
There's my book.
That's it. Yeah. Well, he doesn't have a book. He advertised having one that I bought.
I'm down in my options, but I'm not cutting them yet.
Yeah, you got previous days in New York up right there. See if it could hold a higher low. I mean, it was 10 minutes straight up, so it could still make a higher low. But you got to reclaim VWAPs there. NQ is still sitting on both of its VWAPs.
Thank you, Doctor. It's a little more red than it was. Is it not? It's gotten a little more red on the heat map than it was. Nvidia's down 1.3%.
Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, it's interesting though. Like Micron's at a new high, SanDisk is at a new high, up 1.5%. Just Nvidia that's down, because then even some of the Mag 7, like Amazon, was at a new high. Google. So yeah, it's kind of mixed.
Traders are priced in about a 50% chance of a Fed rate hike in September.
Really?
Yeah.
I believe
that. Warsh is talking right now at some Jackson Hole symposium, and
I'm sure this is going to change as the day goes on. But if you go to the CME website, it's probably going to be at over 50% because it was last week. Clay, when are you coming back to America, bro? What's your timeline?
Trying to figure that out. Maybe definitely for the holidays. So I'd like to come back maybe sometime. I was thinking September, but dude, it's already September. I don't have.
It's already September next week, dude. Right? I was gonna say.
Yeah, so probably November.
Okay.
And then, December 14th for sure. So I mean, when I come, I'll probably just stay. But we're working on getting Maria's tourist visa, so it's super hard. I have to go to like today after this.
I believe it.
So yeah.
So look at this. They are saying 45%, 46% chance of one 25-point basis cut. Now it's a 54% they cut 50 basis points. Ooh. That would be like 2 cuts in one. I don't know when the last time we moved 50 basis points. Wasn't probably since COVID. It'd be 5 or 6 years. So that would actually be pretty crazy. But then it's funny. A couple of months later, by March, they're completely uncertain where we are. Look at that. 30, 30, 10, 20. It's completely uncertain. So I think this is still very uncertain too. But it's interesting. I have not seen it lean towards 2 cuts like that. 225. So 150 basis point cut. You see, these are each 25 basis points. It's interesting. I know some of you that goes in one ear and out the other. Try not to let it. Try to understand what we're talking about or ask questions because it is important.
I forgot Jackson Hole was this week.
Tanner's cracking me up with his videos about how that he thinks that's important. I'm like, the market is not waiting for Jackson Hole Symposium, dude. He's so funny. If anything, the market was waiting for Nvidia earnings, the biggest company in history. If anything, it was that. Yeah. And the earnings were amazing. Yeah, so I haven't gotten into trading any of the options with this prop account. Clay, this is my third funded account with them. I torched the first two, but I don't do anything with individual stocks. I'm only trading SPY options and ES, basically, you know? Check this out. You ready for when we blow your fucking face off with this? Look at this. How you like that? Wall? How you like them apples?
Good, bad.
So this is teammate Alex's thing with Yush from Prop for Match TV. This is NQ on the right and then ES on the left, and it's showing you buy orders coming in here. It's showing you zero gamma, call wall, put wall. I don't know exactly what it means, but it makes you look smart. You know what I mean? Yeah. So
I don't know what those mean, but I know about Paul Wall.
Dude,
you remember the rapper Paul Wall? What's that?
Bro, that's a throwback. Of course I remember Paul Wall, bro.
The only person, if Lance is watching this, he's like, oh, yeah, shit, I know.
Oh, yeah, dude. Lance kind of looks like Paul Wall. If you gave Lance a grill,
he does not look like Paul Wall, man.
Dude, let me tell you, bro.
Seriously. Oh, man, I love you. Crack me up.
Randy, we're not talking about the Indian Paul Wall, okay? Just so we're on the same page.
Not Paul Deep Wall?
No, we're talking about the white Houston rapper.
Yeah, Houston rapper.
Oh, I think. Listen here, fellas. Listen here, fellas.
Us Indian brothers, we love big booty music.
Listen here, children. You don't educate me on hip hop, okay? So.
I got the.
What are you having there? An acai bowl?
I like it. I'll do an acai bowl any day.
What's that? Oh, is this an acai? No yogurt. Way.
With us at value area high, I was going to say, if we drift higher, I won't be surprised. If we were inside value, I would be like, I have Friday. It's probably done. It's chopping. But the fact that we're above previous value area, the longs may work. So I'm still in my longs.
Value area. Yes, POP and value area high are like the same damn level.
Yeah.
Previous New York volume for that, or
Randy?
Sorry for the value areas high. That's the whole session. So it's going to be Globex and New York. So it's for the whole previous day session.
Of the previous day or just
previous day.
Okay.
Right. You have developing volume profile and then previous day. So we use previous day and then I use previous weeks. But I'm looking at previous week more of just to see where we are related to price from last week.
We're in the green, boys. Is this going to be the first funded account green trade with Vanquish? Let's go.
Let's go, Mr. Silver.
Took New York VWAP here. I'm going to add 2. Oh, shit. Dumb idiot. Put it as a limit order.
My options just got shredded on the decay. Jeez.
Yeah.
Of course, I add in and it pops, and then I added a limit order. I'm an idiot.
Oh, that's the worst. We got to find a way. We should almost ask them to.
I'm going to ask them everything. I'm grilling them up.
Yeah. Well, no, just so it's default. Like, why is it not default market?
I don't know.
Is that not a thing?
I don't know.
Like in the options world, are you silly to buy market order in options?
We might be.
That's what I mean. Like,
would it be the first time that you've been silly?
No. Oh, really? You know how sad I am today? Didn't I just tell you it's my last day in this office?
Yeah, he almost cried.
Throwing jabs at me.
4 seconds into stream, he almost started crying. Clay, I was like, dude, we didn't even get into trading yet.
Why? Because your office?
No, I'm moving. This weekend. Well, we're moving into an Airbnb for a couple of days and heading down to Mexico in the midweek next week.
Oh man, got the emotions steering up. You having some regret?
No. This is just the house that Miles was born here. I started trading with these guys here. This is
right.
My life changed in this house drastically to the good.
It'll change in the next one too.
Oh yeah, it only gets better. It's only up from here, boys.
Here we come.
Isn't that how it works with trading? It's only up from here.
That's right. Yeah, exactly.
We're finally back green on the options. Give me a breakout, would you please? Break the initial balance. Set 5 minutes ago.
I'm out of mine. I'm up 128 on that. I'm gonna get back in though. I just didn't like that I had that pending sitting, and I don't want to get filled. I just didn't like that, so I'm just flat everything.
Is the Tampa boot camp full?
No.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's a fifth full. We've sold 20 something tickets.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Is it the same amount as last year of like
Same everything. Same everything. Yep.
Have you announced all the speakers?
No, I'm gonna wait. Yeah, because I'm gonna all the people that want to come, they're already basically gonna buy it, right? Because they're getting the best deal. And then in the year of, I wait to announce the speakers because I can raise the price and end the early bird thing, and then make the final speaker announcement. You know what I mean?
Yeah, and push anybody that's thinking about it over the ads, right?
Exactly.
So,
Exactly.
it's worth it, man.
Dude, it'll be good.
Yeah.
Yep, Clay's gonna be there.
Well,
I don't think.
so you're like compressing the time, or is it the same amount of time as last time?
It's gonna be all the same. Like literally everything the same, except the speakers and the education is going to be all different. Proper matches coming. They're bringing a bunch of guys, so that's cool. So like it'll be some other companies there. I know Sasaki's going to try to make it. I think they're going to be a sponsor as well, so it'll be good.
And you got the Black Shirt Club full?
Yeah, we ended up deciding to shut it down. I don't know if you saw that. We're not taking any new people in, so we're just locking it down and keeping it with our people until the end of the year. Honestly, bro, the mentorship it's not like it's not rewarding, and it's not like it's not making us money, but with just everything else we have going on, it just needs a little bit revamped. You know what I mean? So we've been doing the group coaching for a while, right, Evan? Like we switched from one-on-one to group coaching like 2 years ago.
It's been a while. Overall, all of it.
I could
going back to James.
Yeah, literally. We have not stopped the Black Shirt Club since 2021. So
you're gonna have some more time on your hands. Maybe. I don't know.
No, I have another baby now, so
I know.
I have to occupy Leo all day. That's my job.
I just had a son.
I saw that. Yeah, that's awesome. I love that.
Just have to ride e-bikes all day. It's tough.
I know. I got to go buy another dirt bike this weekend.
Well, I mean, my brother's liking it because kind of with that, like he has more time to spend with his daughter, who's 2. Kind of like, say it's the same framework as Leo.
Yep.
Because baby's with his mom all the time now. So
exactly.
Yeah. So, dude, Leo's growing up fast, dude. His little G.
It's cool. It's awesome. That's why I don't mind hanging out with him. I'm like, it is fun. Like we ride dirt bikes and we play. It's
I don't
fun.
even mind the kid.
I don't even mind the guy.
I'm out of my EF.
They got me stuck out on this rig. Good thing I like my random that I'm paired with.
I'm out of the queues. I made too much money.
Good job. Are we all green today, Randy? Are we going to be green today?
I'm still. Let me see how I am on my NQ.
Everybody, get yourself ready. We're going to do the giveaway now. As soon as
I got it. It's been up.
Oh.
So I made 1,700 on that options with the add-in. So I'll lose 200.
Is this 700 again, though, Randy?
Actually,
you going all in on the option?
Austin?
I was going to say if it rejects that 700 again, what are you thinking?
Oh, then I'll get out of the trade. But I think if we break 700, I'll hold on to it.
Okay.
So I'll be slightly red here on the day, like tiny red. But I actually did pass a Elos 50K challenge on.
Nice.
US.
Why will you be red? You're in profit on this trade. What are you talking about?
No, because I lost the first one. I lost this long.
Oh, right. The stop out there. I got you.
Yeah.
Even more of a reason. Why not just rip it now? If you rip it right now, did you recover most of it? It's rejected this price like 3 or 4 times. That's all I'm saying. SPY is at its high of day 2. So if it does pull back from here, it wouldn't be a surprise. So you might just have to hold it longer if you want more. Anyway, I'll let you think about that.
Binge trade, dude. Like, get it in.
I know. Looking at Evan's screen even more, looking left, like look how many times it's hit that and come down.
this was a nice higher low, like the reclaim after it was 10 minutes up.
Yep.
Got to pull back by it at the few up break, but no breaks at the initial balance yet on that. And Q just did on that, so you could see that pull back a little bit. But I just realized with these options, like it's a trade consistency rule. It's not a daily thing. So like I can't even lose money. My biggest thing is going to be 1,700, but that's correct. Only 200 above.
You're fine. It's not that much over.
Yeah. So I remember last time I made too much. I was like, oh, I'll lose a little bit for the end of day consistency, but it doesn't work like that. It's your biggest trade, not your biggest day.
But it works in your favor anyways because it's 1,500 on 3. You're still going to need 4 days, right?
Yeah,
because you need the extra 500.
$200 over.
So just if you shoot for 1,700 now in the 4 days, it'll put you over the line. Versus 1,500, you won't make it in 4 days.
Yeah, it's all good.
Let's do our giveaway, boys.
Break. You would figure ES would also want to break its initial balance high, which is also, but it's going to be this news pin, so you still got some room there.
Let's do our giveaways. Clay, how many you want to do?
What up?
many giveaways you want us to do?
Let's do 5.
Okay, well, if we're gonna give away 5 accounts, let's do one long race and just pick the first 5 people, so we don't have to do 5 fucking races. How's that sound? Good plan.
Yeah.
Evan, what's with the face? Evan, what's with the face?
The 2
races
losers
for 25 seconds. It's going to take a
make
minute
it
and a half.
longer. I just said make the race. Do a
I know,
1
really, we
minute
don't
or a
have to
2
do
minute.
5.
Let's
We don't have to
do a
sit through
2 minute
5, 20
race.
seconds.
Let's see who's got the endurance, and then pick the top 5 people.
When I was on a
252
match, he did a 5 minute and just kept checking back.
Yeah, they just leave it
Oh
running.
yeah, no. Alex did that yesterday. I was like, yeah, dude, let's run it. He's like, all right, chat, we're running it. I was like, dude, is that on for 4 minutes? He's like, yeah, we're gonna get into this. We're starting the race. I was like, dude, I've been on
It's
here.
literally
for
like anything you're seeing is irrelevant. They're all going to change 3 minutes from now. So
That
we
is
did-
hilarious, bro.
We
get
did
it.
one where it was spoons, where you walk with the egg and the spoon for 5 minutes. It was like, what the fuck are we doing here? Like, they
Brain
kept
rot.
dropping the egg and picking it up.
All
and
right, come
going-
on. Listen. They the chat saying no. Do 5 20 seconds. Listen, Rob. Let's try this today. Let's see how it goes because we've
This
never
is
done
weird.
5 giveaways in one go. Okay. So plus everybody,
Start it
I
now,
love
I
you
guess.
all, but I am here to trade, and I like looking at trading more than I like looking at these stupid horses.
This
So
is
we
gonna
going to do
take
top
longer.
4 in last place or what?
Yeah, top 5 people in this race each get an Ignite account because that's what we've been
No,
doing.
I was going to say do top 4 and then do one for last place.
No.
No.
That's what they also. He was also saying that.
That's
on
the
the proper
liberal
match
Canadian.
stream.
Relax. Last place is last place, brother. You're
Thank you.
Alex does that too, of course.
I shut that down.
Does
I
he?
went on stream
I
last week, and
know.
Alex was like,
I
"All right,
know.
we'll do first and last place." I'm like, "What does last place get anything for?" No. He's like, "No."
Never. If
Evan's
that
saying
ever
no.
happens on my stream, I swear to God, you're all fired. Never.
I was like, "Why would we reward someone for coming in
Next
last?"
thing you know, we're going to start sending PDFs for participating in the horse
Yeah, it's
race
like,
to
oh,
everyone
good
that
job.
participated. Suck me off, bro. Get the fuck out of here.
You're literally
Thanks
the
for
worst.
participating in the horse race. You're crazy.
Well,
You're
I
the
will
worst
say,
one.
this is more
Oh, dude, look
enjoyable.
at that. In the chat right now, Eric says, just bought the VTC indicator, was able to pass 10 TOF evals in a 2-week period with the VWAP. Thank you, boys.
That's
Nice.
Love that, Eric.
You don't need to win shit, bro. That's winning.
Yeah, so I think what we can tease maybe, Clay, after this big sale ends next week. I know you guys are cooking up some big copy trading accounts for everybody. Do you want to tease that yet or no, not yet?
Yeah, dude, let's send it. Yeah, I think we're gonna do copy trade up to 20 access accounts.
Which I think is going to be crazy.
It's
Yeah.
gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
It's crazy. So crazy. It's
So
just-
crazy. It just might work.
Yeah, no, but so we'll see. We're only running it for limited time. Of course, that's a ton of risk on our end.
Mhm.
But like, it gets back to your question earlier, man. I mean, people are copy trading, and some people are taking a ton of payouts with it. And I would do this is exactly what I would do. I would take advantage of that sale and then bust it up into 5 groups of 4. And dude, you're set on accounts. You should be set. So
Beautiful.
don't stack all 20 of them. I mean, I would just that's exactly how I would run it. And
And
Even
Q's
if-
moving higher. Everything's moving higher. Randy, you looking good?
You want to do top 5?
Yeah, top 5. Who's taking
There
it?
you go.
Nate? Oh, nice. Dude, look, and Nate's one of our Black Shirt Club guys. Didn't Callum just win yesterday?
I wasn't.
Someone, yeah,
part of
Callum.
Yeah, Callum
did.
definitely won this week. That's crazy. Cliff, nice. I know Cliff. Juan Garza, old Black Shirt Club member. Nice. See, if you get in the Black Shirt Club, the race somehow knows you have better chances of winning, everybody. I don't know how.
I literally turned around for a second and I made too much money in my options account, for fuck's sakes.
Good professionalism, Randy. Really good.
Yeah,
That's what I
Randy.
did too. It happens. Steven, congrats. You're dead last. No,
Yeah. Ryan's
Let's get
close,
him
dude.
an account.
Ryan close.
Let's give him an account.
Very close, very close. All right, I got the names of the 5 people. If you won, we'll take care of you. Make sure you DM me on Discord or shoot me an email. We'll take care of you. So we got Alfredo, Nate, Cliff, Callum, and who was that last one?
Juan.
Juan. Yeah,
Juan.
Nice. Congrats to the winners. Congrats to the winners, and thank you to Top One Futures for letting that happen for us.
Yeah, man.
All right, Randy.
Well,
Let's see if
next
it's got
time
the
we can
legs.
next time we can do 15 for sure. Because we can
Okay,
just do
great.
it like that. The top 15 wins.
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
I
Nice.
do want to
nice,
go over
man.
this. I mean, Randy, you sitting at what's that target? Just random?
No, 29,800. Just front running the orders there.
Okay. Well, then we'll see that play out, and then I'll go over ES one more time.
Yeah, this was my spy trade. Could have made more money on that.
You're always going to say that. What's gotten into you?
But this will be my biggest day on my futures account this week.
There you go.
Yeah. Not massive, but as long as I don't trade anymore, this would be the biggest day, I think. Yeah. The biggest day this week was 3,500 so far, and I'm up 3,700 today. So just barely. So pretty
Do I
average.
lose $900 in my options account or just to leave it?
What does that mean, buddy?
Over.
No, didn't you
I'm
just hear what you
24
just said?
I'm
You can't do
2,400
that.
on the trade today.
You can't
And
do
that's
that. You're not
1,500
listening.
max.
You're not listening. You're not listening. You can't do that. Listen to what you just said. It's the consistency is on a per trade basis, not a P&L of the day basis. So you can't. The trade's already done.
Yeah,
Evan just said that a minute
saying
ago.
about mine that I made 1,700. In the past,
Yeah.
I had lost 200.
See, that's
to
where
get it
like
back down
it's
under
not the
15.
TOF consistency, which is P&L based. It's the trade P&L base.
Oh, so your highest profitable trade.
Trade,
Trade.
not day.
Ah.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Which is what
thank you.
I mistakenly
No,
did
you're
last
good.
time because I would lose $200 to get to 1,500, but like it already is based on the consistency off of 1,700. So like losing that money did nothing. It actually hurt me.
Yep.
So it's a good lesson. But when I was looking at this NQ and any of, or this is on ES actually, it's like not that you can't buy it here or shouldn't. It's just like that's a good price. It's the New York VWAP, no? But after just 10 minutes up, is it just going to keep on sustaining like that? Or can we probably still see a higher low than the reclaim of that very same price, same VWAP? And then that's the time it rips. But if you bought it the first time, your stop loss should be at this low and you survive that higher low. So you should win either one of these entries, but you can maybe just time it better on the reclaim. But they're both solid. So the double break wins, and then you get a VWAP. Is that a bounce? Break? Reclaim?
Whatever.
I guess
I
the bounce.
pulled my
bounce
MQ
or
long, guys. I'm done.
Good.
So
Nice.
How much did you make today, Randy?
I'm basically flat.
Okay, good. You recovered it.
Yeah. So that's good. I'm fine with that. That's why I kind of pulled. I was going to sit in it for like another 50 points. And I'm just like, I made money in the options account. I'd rather just be flat across my futures and be good with it. I passed that ELOS eval on ES. So good.
Clay,
It's a
you're
good day.
green too. Yeah, Clay, you had the short on ES earlier, so you're good. Yeah.
That took
Clay's gone. Oh,
Oh, okay, I'm back on now. Yeah, I am great.
Nice. Chat, how are we looking in the chat? We did the giveaway. Anyone have a red trade they want us to go over before we wrap up? Usually on Fridays, we end at 11 o'clock, everybody. So I want to remind you one more time, if you do need any more accounts, you have today, you have the weekend. I'll probably send an email about it. And then Monday is the last day, not just to get in the BSC, but also to take advantage of this crazy 55% off sale from Top One Futures. So maybe if you won one today, go get 4 more. If you bundle 5, don't forget to use the code ASFX so you get in the giveaway. But also 5 gets you a 60% off discount, everybody. That's what you see at the bottom of the screen too. So the deal runs all weekend. I recommend instant fundeds. We like the ignites. And then on the access accounts, the elite, what are the ones going to go on the elite access? They're the ones with all the copy trading next week. Those ones. Yeah. Those. He just made a video about it. Look at that smirk. The fuck
That's
is
not
that?
me. That is full.
It is not you, dude. You are not that
not
wrinkly yet, buddy. You're not that wrinkly yet. You want to be old like that, but you're not old like that.
I like the wait for that pullback one. Look how angry you are.
That's me.
Oh, yeah,
That's a little
that's
bit
more like you. That looks
That-
like
I know. Jay should be fired for some of these. I look like a
dude. It's 6
I look like a
Indian
baby
dudes in the room
bird.
doing our thumbnails, just laughing about how they fuck with Evan.
Yeah.
I love this one.
Oh,
yeah,
that's so good.
whatever. Whatever.
But yeah, it's a crazy thing, Clay. I think, with us really locking in with you guys over the last month, so much positive feedback coming in from TOF. Now adding this cash giveaway, next month doing the potential NFL thing, next month doing the 20 accounts thing. Like, Top One's on the right path, dude. There's a lot of sketchy firms popping up, dude. Even Brian Shannon hit me up a couple weeks ago that some sketchy firm I never heard of hit him up for a deal. I was like, no, dude, if you want to do a deal, you got to go to the big firms. I was like, telling him about us, telling him about the other stuff. Like, it's crazy out there. There's so many firms popping up. It's crazy.
Yeah, and it's almost. I'm not gonna say it's impossible for a new firm, but man, it's
tough.
It's incredibly tough. You have to know the way the system works and your numbers and everything. And man, what's great. I mean, we've been in business for TOT for 4 years now, and then TOF year and a half. So I think we proved ourselves. Our best strength is just being consistent and reliable, which as a trader, man, that's really what I want. You know what I mean?
agree.
So,
Dude, I mean, it wasn't always pretty. We've some of us have been here from the beginning, dude, and it's been a fucking slog sometimes, but we've gotten through and it's been worth it.
Some of us were on milk cartons, but
some of us were on milk cartons, dude.
yeah.
I'm gonna show that to my son one day and tell him, you know, when if you really want to do something, this is what you got to aim for. Aim for them to put you on a milk carton.
That's how you know you made it, when you're on a milk carton.
Yeah.
Like when someone took the time to put you on a milk carton.
That or a
created-
Wheaties box. I wanted that or a Wheaties box in my life. I got one of them. You know?
Whatever happened to Bugatti, dude? You know?
Yeah, he crashed. The insurance didn't pay out. No new muffler. The axle was all fucked up. It's all messed up. No, the tires are back ordered. Can't get.
And he was
off the road.
renting it to begin with.
Yeah, he was actually spending all his rent money to have me live in his head rent free. So he had no money to fix the car. You know.
Nice. There you
It
go.
wasn't even a car. He was spending money to get AI to make a fucking image of him owning a car. Like it wasn't even real. Like it was just absolute crock of shit.
I'm waiting for Top One to sponsor me to fight some of these other influencers, bro. You gave me the belt. Now give me the gloves and give me the ring.
You should, Clay, do that. You should put together like influencer celebrity boxing.
We've talked about it, dude. Do you think you got? I mean, would you go for it? Would you guys do it?
But you got to.
I got 2 kids already. If I don't have any more, it'd be all right. So I can take risks again. You know.
You got damage. You got to do it in Brazil, bare knuckle, valetudo style, like
valetudo. There you go.
Eye gouging, everything. Like
you guys,
no holds bars.
Yeah, no time limit. Just 3 15-minute round. So I guess there'd be time limit. 3 15-minute round.
You can go find Boss Root and pay him to come, and he can be the ref. Like we'd sell out. It'd be fucking huge.
That would be sick. Boss Root was fucking savage.
Dude, how about that Derek Moneyberg fucking character, bro?
Yeah,
that was crazy, right, Clay? I was like, how have me and Clay been friends for how long, and you've never brought this guy up to me? I'm like, this guy is like the ultimate. Like, I can't believe we haven't talked about it. You know what I mean?
What's funny about him is that his name not even Moneyberg. He's like, all right, let me try to figure out the most Jewish.
That's the craziest part, dude. Let me Jew this up a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I'm missing one ingredient to my fake guru profile.
Moneyberg. Got it.
Exactly. Yeah. No, man, but anybody in the like MMA, jiu-jitsu world, tons of clickbait on him, and I think clicks. But I mean, what's his name? Jake Shields gave him his black belt. So
that's stupid, bro. That's retarded. Yo, do you know John Morgan from Kentucky?
I don't know.
Morgan & Morgan, biggest law firm, injury law firm in the
Oh
country.
yeah, I am familiar with that.
I like his interviews. I really like him as an entrepreneur. He's ruthless. He's so funny too. He's from Kentucky, and he in this interview on the Iced Coffee Hour yesterday, he's hitting all these Kentucky, like back in Kentucky, we used to say, and I just kept thinking of you, bro. It was so funny. So you got to go listen to it. You'll enjoy it because he's a good Kentucky guy.
Hour?
He's like, if you fuck with me, I'll fuck with you back. That's how the lawyers are, dude. My dad was like that, so I know.
Yeah. No, it's funny when you said Morgan & Morgan. I'm like, oh hell, I know that. Yeah, you see,
dude, he spent $1 billion on advertising last year. Is that crazy, bro?
Yeah.
He's a liquid net worth billionaire, verified apparently.
Wow.
Yep. He's like one of 20 people in America that are liquid billionaire. There's only like 20 of those motherfuckers around.
Right. Yeah. Because like an attorney is like, you're still paying for your time or getting paid for your time, you know? So like to be able to
it's such a cool interview. You got to go watch it. You'll like it, Clay. It's very interesting. He's like, they asked him, do you have to sue your friends ever? And like, he's like, I sued a doctor friend of mine for $4 million. Like, yeah, they cleaned him out. Like, yeah, it's pretty crazy. But I think, Randy, you did good to stay in this trade. We were talking about it, everybody. I think I said it, if it wasn't above value area, you'd think we would chop. But the fact that we were above value area told us we may drift on this beautiful Friday. And that looks like it's exactly what we're getting.
Would you look for a pullback back to the opening range?
Yeah. I mean, now you're just in this expansion, you really want to be long or nothing. But if you're green already at this point, it's 11 o'clock, don't trade anymore. That's what I tell everybody on a Friday. Take the green, call it.
Look at that.
Someone just messaged me and they sent me a screenshot of their trade sinker thing and they're up like $300 a count. And they're like, should I be done for the day? And all I said was on a Friday. And I just left it at that.
Yeah. Let's clean hold of this. Previous days New York, all overnight. One more time at the open. There's our higher low and higher high on a Friday.
Well, dude, I realize it's already almost topped the hour. I'm going to have to.
Yeah, go, dude. Thanks for hanging out, bro. I appreciate you. We'll chat later. Everybody,
guys,
say bye to Clay.
Randy,
see you, bro.
See ya.
And
Peace, brother.
I'm gonna
Sounds
check
good,
on.
dude.
I'm gonna email the dude on these tickets too.
Good. All right,
Yeah.
stay on it.
All right.
Chat later, bro.
See ya. Yeah, 60 points from all-time high. See if you go get that next week.
Today.
Yeah.
Netflix is up 3%.
so clean.
Microsoft's up 2%. Meta's up 2%. Amazon's now up 3%. Apple up 1.7%. The market's turned.
That's nice.
As we
Where's
knew
Monday?
it could.
Where's Monday?
As we knew it would.
Back here. So 3 days of just bullshit. Even yesterday was bullshit. Choppiness. And then now you're finally getting some lift. Yeah, Cam in the
Some?
BC took that long.
Some, it's straight up. ES at 77.50 was a great long. 48,
Here's
great
the
long.
options.
Yeah, nice.
Long all around the VWAP. This is off like previous days in New York. And then I don't even need all this. This alone was the $1,700 because it's a 45 contracts at that point.
Let's go.
Chris, what do
I
you
was
got?
just
One
looking at
long?
my swing longs on MES and MNQ.
So not that this is a bad trade. This should just go for anybody of like, how could I have done better today? It's like with this, it's like try if you really like the long, try to get in just closer to VWAP because I just don't love this stop loss now. Or if you can get close to VWAP, you can put a stop loss below to allow it to keep on holding this. Because I would just hate to see it get swiped out here and still move higher, but good to get in. Yeah, it's a tough stop out on this. Was this NQ on that news? Just stopped out on the double break short. So that would have paid you. Good read so far. Good short. Good long.
I think for that one, it might have been even like just looking at it like maybe he was still short focused on that. So like waiting for that break, the retest of the New York VWAP to get in on the long and then the move higher. Like you're kind of like still sitting there thinking about it. Because when I took my second long after losing the first one, I was like, I just have to remind myself like, okay, I stayed in the trade. I should have got out. I didn't. I like the longs. I got stopped out. So what am I going to do when we take that New York VWAP again? I'm going to get back on the trade.
Yeah.
That's good.
What the hell happened though at 10:28? Just buyers woke it on up.
And ES actually swept overnight
It's
lows.
the double rate cut. It's the double rate cut. That's what it has to be.
even-
The market's moving higher on the double rate cut. Odds of the double rate cut. Yeah, see, traders pricing about a 50% chance of a cut. That came in at 10.24. 10.08, it started coming in.
Yep. The diagonal of a line you can get. It's a nice finish to the week. Good job, Chad.
All right, there's my month. 13K.
Let's go.
No, I don't see any red weeks. And no
No
more
red
than
weeks.
1 week with 2 red days, but that's all right.
Yeah, the first
good
2
job.
weeks were rough, dude. The first 2
That
weeks,
was
I mean, to be up $1,000 after 2 weeks of trading is rough.
But it's self-inflicting. I mean, look at you had way more green days than red in those first 2 weeks. You're just shooting yourself on those red days.
Mainly the first one. It's just this one. This was the biggest
Suck
red
less
day.
on the days that you're losing, and then you
One
win
day a
way
month.
more.
It's all I'm good for one bad day a month, and that
Yeah.
fucks and
We'll just
slows
make
me
that
down
bad
a little.
day not be so horrible. It can still be bad. Just don't make it horrible. You know.
Right.
If you just do the one thing and on some of those bad days, the big ones for sure, you just let the stop opened it up because
Oh,
you're
that's
just
it.
like
That's all it is. It's just
but
that.
you once you remove that from the equation, dude, it's
It's good. Yeah, it's really good. I mean,
It's
nothing.
not 13 and it's just 3 like the rest. You just suddenly put 10K back in your pocket by just not moving your stop.
Yeah, so these futures elite direct accounts are over halfway. The Lucid accounts, I got 1,300, so these are over halfway on the My Funded Futures Rapid.
and
And then
then
the
you want those accounts.
Yeah, dude. And then the directs here, 1,700, 1,100, 1,200 on the. Oh no, those are. So I have 1,200 in a Lucid Funded Flex here and 1,200 in a Lucid Funded Flex here. So I could take 600 out of each, but then I'll have like no drawdown left. I only have $600 left. So I could take money out, but I'm not gonna yet. I'm gonna go one more week. Let's just do one more good week of trading, and I think a lot of these will be payout eligible.
Nice. Let's go.
Okay, I think we leave.
Nice.
Everybody get the fuck out of here. Go enjoy your fucking weekend. Get
Go
the
see the Odyssey.
yeah,
something.
yeah.
Randy, you got to go see it once you're in Mexico, but you got to watch it in English. But
Yeah, there's actually a big movie theater in Puerto Vallarta that plays English speaking, like the movie.
Nice.
Randy, big fan on YouTube. They love you. Everybody remember, Top One Futures discount ends on Monday. The giveaway ends on Monday night at midnight. We're going to slam it down your throats over the weekend and on Monday. It's your last
the
chance.
indicator.
The indicator and the BSC. It all comes to an end on Monday.
Yes.
The
Let's hear
lifetime
it.
sale will still be there for you guys on the indicator, but it's not going to be 50% off. We had a bunch of people get it yesterday. So
Yeah. And TOF will be on sale. Just not as
it's not
of a
as
deal
good. We
as
want
it
you to
is
take
today.
the good deal. What do you want me to do?
Yeah.
Nice trade,
I don't wanna-
Brady.
On
Yeah.
Tuesday, have to answer to someone what happened to the 55%.
We're going all-time highs today, Evan.
Okay, yeah.
Purdy,
Let's
nice
do it.
job, dude. Chris, nice job. Very
It's gonna be a
nice.
Friday drifter.
I mean, look at it. What does
It's a
it
good
look
day
like?
to have some options.
Yeah.
No decay.
I know, dude. Look at,
800 on NQ.
look at my SPY trade. Got out of it right here. Look at
That's
that.
clean. This could be off that previous day's New York, which we also don't really look at every day, but it's also POC.
Yeah.
And the overnight low, so it was never looking bearish. That's not
It's good
back-to-back
stuff,
days
bro.
where the double break plays and then we shift back into trend.
Yep.
Good.
On a side note, there's a video of Sean Strickland ambushing Moneyberg. Have you seen this one yet?
No.
I gotta find it. I just found the image. I'll find the video and I'll post it in the
Oh my
in the
god,
Discord.
that's hilarious, bro.
He must
Like,
be talking shit to him because his face is like, what the fuck?
wait, like he ambushes him in the sense of like what?
He probably says something about the black belt or something that he's got to. Because I never even knew he had a black belt, for fuck's sake.
Yeah, dude. Yes, that's what Clay was telling me. I was like, that's crazy. He like got it from some guy.
Yeah, there's a picture of him, Jake Shields, Lyoto Machida,
Yeah,
Frank Mir.
Frank Mir. Haven't heard that name in a minute. Fuck me.
If you give everybody $500, they're going to show up for the photo, right? Like, I'm not even kidding.
Brady, I
I'm
think
not
those
even
guys
being
are a little
funny.
bit more than 500, but yeah, you're right.
No way. These guys, $500, they'll show up for a photo.
You're right, dude. You're not wrong. I'm not going to disagree fully. Okay. Good stuff, everybody. Enjoy the weekend. We will be back Monday morning. Spend some time with your family. Do your thing. We'll see you guys on Monday.
See you, chat.